Ah, okay, life came, life came, life came, life came. But very slow, 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 slow. The net is very, very slow, 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 net, net, net slow, net slow, Wi-Fi slow, net slow. Load. Okay, cool. Here as a crypto guide which will be taking care of your crypto journey wherever you are facing issue, wherever you're facing a problem. You don't know about zbit app, you don't know about trading, you don't know how to find trade, you don't know trading at all, and you want to start from the exact scratch, that is zero. Trust me, this is that one live stream, this is that one platform which you can get your all the crypto guide which you need, all the crypto understanding, knowledge whatsoever. This is a one pit stop for you to gain a complete overview of the crypto world at one live stream, that is zbit.com. And trust me, this is a complete free live stream which provides you the knowledge, which provides you the trade, which provides your doubt clearing, anything, whatever it is, it provides you everything for completely free of cost. Okay, so be a part of a zbit family and get prioritized. Okay, see, because it's a YouTube live. Okay, I do see the YouTube comments. I'm not denying this fact that I don't see a YouTube comment, but most priority goes to the Zbit app. So for you all people, if you want to get prioritized, if you want a complete a one person always there for your help, always there for your crypto journey, who is always be in like helpful situation, like whenever you need help, there is one person who you can follow up to for any answer, any question, any doubt, anything. So please make sure to download the Zbit app. And it's not just for the live stream. It's not just for there is one person sitting over here who can guide you through your crypto journey. It's not regarding just that, but there is so much thing which you are not able to watch. Let me tell you about those things. First of all, let me introduce Zbit to you. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform, which allows you to start your crypto journey without even spending even a single amount of money. You can start your crypto journey. Okay, so there are some steps which you need to complete, and after those steps there will be a lot of rewards awaiting for you from the Zbit side, which will be given to all the new users and the existing users as well. There are five rewards which Zbit offers to you all people, in which three are the legit rewards and two are a feature, which is considered as a reward only because it helps you in gaining profit. Whatever helps you in gaining profit is considered as a reward itself. But there are three legit reward which is actually giving you like free experience, free cryptocurrency, and free commission, a lot without even paying a single amount. Okay, I will be explaining you each and every of those things. First, let me just show you the Zbit app so that the YouTube people, the Zbit, the Twitter people, they would know and how useful and how much reward you can gain from the zbit.com. Okay, if I click on sign up over here, okay, this is a sign up thing. Sign up is basically for you to create an account. Okay, like I said to you already, Zbit is a crypto exchange platform. Is basically considered Zbit as a bridge. That you're standing over here, Zbit is a bridge, and over here is the most profitable market compared to every other thing, compared to stock, compared to indices, compared to the commodities. Crypto world is the most profitable and the most future reliable market out there in the world. If you want to be a part of the greater global future, then this is the point where you should be entering the market rather than regretting more and more and more. We all know crypto started way back in like 2009, 2010 or 14, something kind of situation. I don't remember the start, but something around 2009 or 2008, I guess. Okay, since then we are seeing that people are just facing regrets. The people who have not entered in the crypto market, there are just two types of people. Okay, three. One, the people who have entered in the crypto market from the way start, like 2009, 2008, who are the whales in the market right now, the most profitable person, the most richest people in the world right now, who is not doing any work, who is not doing job, they are just starting their business and every of those things. Then second people come is the people who knew that there is something like BTC, there is something like digital currency going on at that point, and now they regret it that they are not, they didn't be, they didn't had a time, they didn't had a moment, they didn't put the effort to be a part of the cryptocurrency in the way beginning. And now there are other people, like a third people who doesn't even know what crypto market is. So most of the people are in these two criteria: the one who regrets not being in the crypto market from the way starting, and the people who doesn't even know the most profitable market is out there, which can help you earn such a huge amount of money, which not even your business, not even your anything. Like, see, if you compare business like Ambani business, then yeah, obviously that business is more profitable. But you compare the business like the small business, like grocery shop, this small clothing shop, or small business, yes, rather than putting that much investment, rather than putting that much effort, you can do the same thing in the crypto without the less investment, with the less investment, with the less effort, you can start your crypto journey and earn the same kind of or maybe more amount from those small businesses. Okay, having a passive source of income is the only need which you need in the crypto in your life, and that can be happen from the crypto market. Passive source of income is basically, see, we all know whenever we go in the jobs, whenever we do all the sales 9 to 5 job and we get salary, that's not sufficient for doing the trips, that's not sufficient for like enjoying our goals, doing completing our goal, enjoying our life and blah blah things. It's not sufficient. To be very frank, to be very fair, it's not sufficient. We have a lot of, like, what you can say, we have a lot of responsibilities, financial stress, financial things and blah blah things all over our head. All the peoples who are in their 20s, who are in their 30s, they need that one way out, so that they can leave this all the stress in their head and they can start enjoying their life, rather than just surviving every day, calculating each and every of those expense, like this is what I need and I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have this, I don't have that. Rather than just doing and overthinking and daydreaming, you can actually start your crypto journey from the zbit.com for completely zero efforts, without even having any zero investment. Okay, later on, obviously, once you take a trade, you have to put your money, but for initial start, for gaining the experience, for gaining the free cryptocurrency, you don't need to pay any single amount. I will guide you through step by step how you can capture and how you can get a free cryptocurrency, how you can get a free experience of the crypto market with the legit real profit which you can withdraw as well. Okay, so, like I said, Zbit is basically what? Zbit is just a bridge for all of you people, which connects you from the normal world to the most profitable world, which is our crypto world. Okay, so I will give you a little gist of like what crypto trading is, so that you will understand. It is not, see, it is not like a stock trading. Stock market are those companies which exist, like you can see, or you can go to those company, you can see those company, you can see the production, you can see blah 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 things. Now crypto trading is very different. Crypto trading is basically we are trading into something which is not even in our hand, which is never gonna be in our hand, and which is never, we cannot ever see it in physical form. It's a digital form of currency. As we all know that the whole world is adapting a digitalization. Basically, we are doing online shopping, we are doing online delivery, we are doing online meetings, we are doing online. Everything has been adapting slowly and slowly. If you observe, if you don't observe, but slowly you think that your whole life surrounding to you is getting adapted to the digital format, from your clothing to transferring money to being at other part of the globe, or anything connecting our business, connecting our bank, connecting the people to the across the globe, has been done by the digital formation. Then one person called as Satoshi Nakamoto thought like he can break one chain which was very important to break. Our traditional currency was under the control of the government and the banking system. These were the two major factors which was controlling our traditional way of currency. The like whole control, basically they like making rules and regulations of that XYZ currencies. like rules regulation for how much currency should be supplied, what should be the inflation rate, interest cut rate, blah blah blah. And then the bank in the middle, who is just being a middle person over there, like buy Canada just share directly to you. Basically my understanding, like we need always were in the need of a bank to do any kind of transaction, or to store our money, or to do anything. Now that is a very old thought, that is a very old thinking, that is a very traditional way of doing business. Okay, Satoshi Nakamoto thought that what if I make one blockchain which is very transparent. First, like banking system was never transparent. We never used to know what they are doing with our money, and we all know that they used to collect like whatever money is in the bank, they used to put it into live pool, which they put it into the some trading, which like trade maybe in the gold, maybe in the commodities, maybe into the indices, whatsoever they used to trade. They used to gain a bigger profit from it, from our money, and they used to take that profit and used to give us small interest to us yearly wise, maybe 2%, maybe 3%, maybe 5%, which was a very bad thing, because they are controlling our money, they are investing our money without even our consent, without even anything. Due to which this blockchain system is the best, because first you are having a transparency. You can check out every single transaction happening in a blockchain system, even if it's of 0.00001 USDT, or even if it's for 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 billion, 3 billion USDT. And each and every record is there in the blockchain system, which is completely transparent. Even if the big company is doing some transaction, you can see it, and even if the most smallest retailer is doing a transaction, you still can see it. So it gave us first transparency, which was very much more needed, because that's what lacks from the upper people. Like see, whenever any, like upper people are basically the richer people, the banking system and the government. Okay, we the normal people, we lack this one thing, that we don't have transparency between those. We don't know what they're doing with the money, we don't know how they transfer, how they like where are they investing, what are they doing with their money, and how they are earning so much rich. Now blockchain system made this one thing, that there is a transparency. First, everybody is equal. There is no such things like you, like there are controller, the ruler, and blah blah thing. There is no such things. Even government is the same, even the richer people are same, even the retailers are at the same level, which is a common ground for everybody. So digital currency is basically what? A digital form of the traditional currency, which you can consider, like that. Like you know USDT. The normal traditional currency is dollar, USD, which is United States dollar. But USDT is a digital formation of the dollar. Same exactly like that. We created a lot of cryptocurrency, which is basically a lot of different digital currencies. We have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, Solana, XRP, stablecoin, altcoin, meme coin. There are so many coins which are created. Okay, in these things, these coins, as the retailers, for us people, we don't have use of it at right now point. Okay, because at the our in our day-to-day life, in our day-to-day life, like buying grocery, doing shopping, blah 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 kind of stuff, we have no use of using a cryptocurrency. But that doesn't mean that we should not be a part of a digital currency, we should not be a part of cryptocurrency. Like I said to you, this is a very huge future concept which people are not realizing at right now point, because you cannot see this one thing, that this cryptocurrency is breaking the chain of the government and the banking system, rather than, because see, it gave you one very simple thing. It eliminated the middle person who is eating our money without even like not even taking our consent, not even doing anything, by showing no transparency, anything. He's eating up our money. He's having banking system earn so much and so much of money for our one transaction. Every transaction we make, they earn very huge money from it. Every bank yearly wise may earn 50 to 100 to 500 crore just by providing the services to us, and which they earn the in the best, like free money which they get to. And Satoshi Nakamoto basically broke that chain of earning free money, which is basically our money. Okay, so this blockchain system works in such a way that you don't need a middle person at all. We will do the transaction by my end to your end. straight. We don't need any middle person. We don't need any banking system. We don't need any delivery guy. We don't need anything. Via blockchain, it is possible to change. Now, for a lot of people, for the retailers who don't have a huge understanding of this, of how banking system is eating your money, how banking system earns more money with your money. So for those people, they will think like, what is the need of blockchain? I can use my bank, I can use this. That is basically giving a free money to the banking systems, which they are using and earning a lot from your hard-earned money, to be very frank. Eliminating that will break the chain of the control of the banking system which they have on the currency. Okay, the whole system is very cracked. If you look at the banking system, the whole banking system is very cracked system. To like every of those small people to richer people, they have to have follow all the rules and regulation of the bank, the taxation and blah blah blah, blah kind of so the interest rate, blah blah rate, blah 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 situation, which if you analyze, it's a very cracked up situations. Okay, to avoid that thing, we started doing the blockchain, which is direct to direct. We don't need a middle person over here. One thing. Second thing, this blockchain system cannot be controlled by the government. Government cannot decide the supply and the demand of the cannot create a supply or cannot create a demand of the cryptocurrencies. Okay, it will be very fixed thing that it cannot be created more. For example, a country prints their own currency, RBI, like RBI, they print our Indian currency. In that, government decide how much to print, how much not to print, how much to supply and how much to not to supply. Everything they decide it. Okay, now in this situation, any of those government cannot decide the rules and regulation of the cryptocurrency. Okay, so in which we are safe. If we have the cryptocurrency, then we are safe from the inflation rate. Even if a traditional currency is going down, going up, that won't matter, because our cryptocurrency can save us from the inflation which is happening out there. It won't be dependent on the government's action, government doing. It will not be dependent on that at all. That's what the even the government are doing. See, US government opened the crypto, what is that, crypto reserve. Yes, US government opened the crypto reserve way before, like in maybe in basically in Feb or March, they opened the crypto reserve of cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. Everybody is focusing on the Bitcoin because that was the first one which was made. Second preference is given to Ethereum, and then comes the altcoins. Okay, but main was the Bitcoin. He created the crypto reserve for the Bitcoin. Why and what was the need of that? Because he knew this one thing, that this digital currency can save him, can create a backbone. The same way, see, reserves are made for any financial crisis. Whenever a country is facing any financial crisis, so that reserve helps them in like uplifting their economy, uplifting their value, uplifting anything. That is a reserve. We used to have first gold reserve, oil reserve, blah blah reserve. Like we have this much. We have seen in the most famous series, Money Heist, that in the first gold, no, second, first, no, second, yeah, in the second season, they went to one Spain, like Spain government or something. They were in the financial crisis, and then there one guy went there and he said like, just move your gold to this bank or to this thing, to this place, so that you will have a very good backbone of a financial crisis, that you will be having a huge amount of thing like that, which is saving you, which can save you from the financial crisis basically. Okay, in the same situation, rather than using a gold, which was the most prominent, which was the most profitable uh, which was the most prominent, most profitable way of doing the backbone of the doing the reserve and creating a very strong financial upliftment of the economic, they started doing for the Bitcoin, because they know this one thing, that the Bitcoin can save you from the economic. And that's what the other companies are also doing. The corporate companies, they do it the same. They do the same. They do it for, they start buying a lot of cryptocurrency for giving a backbone to their company, so that they can be safe from the inflation rate, whatever exchange rate cuts, interest rate cuts in the USDT, or whatever is happening, economy goes down, goes up, the Bitcoin will not have anything. Bitcoin will not have any impact for that. Okay, and it can save you from a lot of time from getting inflated into the market or any of those things. Okay, so with this thing, cryptocurrency was created. to save us from the inflation, to save us from the government, to save us from the banking system. Now, for right now, like I said to you, for us retailer, it's a very futuristic concept, because obviously we cannot change one way of doing completely like a finger snap. We cannot change it. We cannot directly eradicate the whole banking system. We cannot directly eradicate the traditional currency which government decide. We cannot do it directly, but slowly we can do it. And that's what is happening since what, since 2009 or 2010, whenever the cryptocurrency started trading, whenever Bitcoin came into the market. Since that time, you can see the huge value it is holding. Even if it drops down, even if it drops, and we saw the recent more drop was till what, 83. Even if the market drops to 83, that doesn't matter at all, because we are still above. Like one Bitcoin is considered as 80k dollars. It's not like $1, one BTC, $1. No, it is like one Bitcoin worth over 83. Even if fall the most lowest. Right now it's a 92, so one Bitcoin is considered as 92k. It is that valuable since that time. Okay, why it is valuable? Because it shows the transparency. It has no rules, regulations for the banking system and the government, which makes it the, like for example, you can consider like the currency got freedom. Basically, we know how freedom is important for us. Every person can fight for the freedom. If fight for freedom from the family, freedom from the law, freedom from the office, freedom from the country, freedom of the nation, anything. Freedom is the most important and the most valuable thing which a human person, which a citizen, which a country, which a state, blah blah thing, which you need. Okay, now the same freedom has been given to the currency by Satoshi Nakamoto, that he has given XYZ freedom to the currency. Now there is no control of the government and no control of the banking system. That's the only and only reason why cryptocurrency is booming this much. But there is one drawback, just one very simple drawback, which can be an advantage as well. Like I said to you all people, that this cryptocurrency has become what, a common ground, a common ground for all the people. Like everybody is equal over here. But that's a little wrong in a perspective. Like for example, everybody is common, whole global can trade it. It's a 24/7 running market. It's not like US session, Indian session, Japan session, Chinese session. No, it is like complete. Everybody can do it at whatever time they feel. It is 24/7 market which will never stop. It's like a perpetual contract. It started and it is never gonna end now. Never. It's never ending contract. It's never gonna end. Every day, every single minute, every single second, you can do a trade into the cryptocurrency. Okay. Now, for example, like I said to you, there is one misconception regarding equality. We have equality in the rights. We have equality in watching what is happening in the cryptocurrency. But the equality which we don't have is a little control. Even though government is not having control, even though banking system is not having control, but there is still something and someone who is controlling the cryptocurrency. I will give you example of it. For example, if you go way back in the time, okay, when there was no government and when there was no banking systems, still, like for example, there was like kingship. Even before kingship, let's say, even before kingship, there was some small villages. In those villages, there used to be one leader, and that one leader which used to be only that person who is very rich. So at the end, the control goes to which? The control goes to those people who has a huge amount of money. Same happens in the cryptocurrency. In the cryptocurrency, when there is no control of the government, no ruling of the government, and the control of the banking system, then the cryptocurrency is being manipulated and controlled by who? Controlled by those people who is having a very huge amount of money. The people who are rich, the people who are buying cryptocurrency like crazy, the people who are having a huge investment to make into the cryptocurrency, those are the people who can change the cryptocurrency format. And that too just for trading. I'm not saying that it can change the real life, but if you hold a lot amount, then you can change the market. You are basically a whale. If for example, if I have lakh kind of coins of Bitcoin, if I try to even sell 50,000, the whole market can dump with my sell order. Or if I want to buy another 50,000 Bitcoin, whole market can pump with my buy order. That is the only control which cryptocurrency is given, and which is like, which we cannot deny. If you buy in a very heavy lot with a very heavy investment, obviously the market is going to pump. And if you sell in a very heavy lot, in a very heavy investment, profit is going to go out from the market, then yes, we are going to face a very huge amount of loss in the market. Like, a market is going to dump. So crypto market is controlled and not controlled at the same point. Not given control to the bank, they cannot decide the supply and demand. Banking system cannot use the free money which they're using just for providing, just by being a middle person over here. But it can be still controlled with a people who are having a huge amount of money, huge amount of money, huge amount of to put money into the market. Got it? That's the only control. But it is also an advantage. Advantage for who? Advantage for us. See, the way we look at the cryptocurrency and the way those richer people looking at the cryptocurrency is totally different. Like I said to you all people, we retailers, we don't have a day-to-day life need of cryptocurrency. We cannot use cryptocurrency for a day-to-day life. We cannot, as a general thing I'm talking about. But we can actually, those richer people are using those. Richer people are using those to avoid the taxation from the bank, to being a middle person of the bank, to avoid taxation of the government, and all those people, they are using it for any kind of transaction. Because you know, these big companies, big manufacturer companies, the most retail, like huge corporate people, they need the daily transactions. They need transactions in like way of like something like to buy in a very huge amount. I don't know, like I have never run a company, so I don't know what kind of expenses the company need. But I know this one fact for very sure, that company needs a very heavy like transaction every day. Every day there is some transaction happening for a company, for manufacturing, for supply, for the blah, whatever it is, they are having those transactions every day. Now every day they are giving free money to the bank, free money to government, free money to everything. Now they can avoid those free money, free giving money, and they can save a lot of money by just providing, by just doing the transaction from the cryptocurrency. Do not think, see what we think about the cryptocurrency, that cryptocurrency is something gold or something diamond or something element. It is not an element. It is a money. It is a currency. A currency's main purpose is what? To do a transaction from one person to another for fulfilling whatever value we are exchanging. If I want to buy a LV wallet, I can give him whatever XYZ USDT, and I can take this thing without even giving 1 single% to the banking system, anything. I can do it with the USDT. I can do it with the cryptocurrency. Okay, which is very possible from the from all the people. Like those corporate people are using this thing in this way for transaction. We think that cryptocurrency is a gold, cryptocurrency this, cryptocurrency that, blah situation. No, it is a simple currency, a simple currency which has gained a huge attention of the overall world because of the like being a transparency, eliminating bank, eliminating government from the control and the ruling. And this attention has been grabbed by which people? Grabbed by the big players, grabbed by the corporate peoples, grabbed by the smart money people, which are basically institutional money, which is like those huge money in the whole world, which is having a turnover of like maybe million, billion in monthly wise. They don't know where to put their money. If they put it in the cryptocurrency, none of the government can touch it, none of the banking system can ask like why you're having this much, why you're having that much, why blah situation. They cannot ask anything, and they can use it for a simple transaction in which they're also saving it. For example, the same way, like if you finance anything, for example, if you're financing a car, in that thing there is something called like a zero debt. Like you give this much money, if, and there are something like bank will take 1% interest, 2% interest, 3% interest. This is what this is, like banking eating your money for free, just by providing a transaction. They are eating up your money. Same way in the cryptocurrency, there are no such things. There are no such things of gaining 1%, 2%, 3%. No. You send money, you receive money without even doing anything. Got it? That's why cryptocurrency is basically a currency which is used for transaction. We are not using for transaction because we don't have it. Same example, we don't have very huge amount of gold, so we don't buy or sell gold like this. We buy it for a very huge time, and then we will sell it for like we will buy it once or twice in a year, and we will keep it safe and safe and safe. We don't do everyday daily transaction like the gold jewelers. Okay, those are the one who is having a huge things which they do it, but us, we don't do it because we don't have that much. Understand, this is same difference. The cryptocurrency corporate people can be a gold jeweler, and we are the buyers. We cannot buy it every day, we cannot sell it every day, because we are not the gold jewelers. We are a normal retailer who goes sometime, collect the saving, buys a gold and keeps in the house. When the value goes up, then we sell it. That's what retailers are in the crypto market. The gold dwellers are actually those people, the whales and everybody in the crypto market, who are using this currency for their own use, and also for getting themselves safe from the inflation, making their economic strong, making their company strong, making their company strong from inflation and whatever rules, regulation from the banking system and everything are going. Understood? That is a cryptocurrency. Simple, very simple understanding of cryptocurrency. It is a it's a digital currency which is not governed by the government and not controlled by the banking system. You are the controller, you are the ruler, if you have a very sufficient amount of money. And even if you don't have money, still they are not going to control and they are not going to rule over your cryptocurrency. You are the owner, you can do whatever you want to do, and they cannot ask you anything over it. Okay, but there comes the second thing. Every crypto exchange platform which is available for public are centralized platform. What do you mean by centralized platform? Centralized platform are basically which is under the government license. And there are some decentralized platform as well, which government cannot interfere, cannot look, and they don't even need the license. There are decentralized which has no zero control of the government, not on the cryptocurrency. There is no control on the cryptocurrency, but on the platform, exchange platform like this. Like we provide you opportunity to take a trade in the cryptocurrency, exactly the same way I'm talking about. Okay, like you are here in the licensed way, you are trading into cryptocurrency which is centralized under the watch of the government. Okay, government cannot interfere in the cryptocurrencies like BTC, Ethereum, blah, but can interfere in the exchange. Like what this exchange is doing. Is this exchange turning white into black, black into white, or whatever these things is happening? Okay, because your money is untouchable if it's in the digital currency. If government finds it out, it is untouchable. The government cannot touch it. The government cannot ask it, government cannot do it, because they have no control over it. Okay, simple understanding. So major scenario happens, like most of the black to the white happens from the digital currencies. That's why there is centralized platform and decentralized platforms. Okay, now what if I tell you that this huge profitable market, which I just explained, which is the most simplest, okay, cryptocurrency is most simplest to understand. It is not very hard to understand. It is just a digital way of currency which got freedom from the bank and the government. Simple, very simple. It is no different than your currency which you are holding in the pocket. The only difference is that you are having it in your wallet, which you are having into the wallet, and that you cannot have it into wallet. You can have it in the digital wallet, which you cannot touch, we cannot see. That's it. That's the only difference between cryptocurrency and the traditional currency. That it is not physical, this thing is physical. They both use cases is same. In here we use it a lot, and that we use it less. That's it. Less because we don't have a need. Like we can't buy grocery from cryptocurrency. If people are buying grocery from cryptocurrency, that will be the most foolish person, because it values so huge value. Okay, but let me tell you this one thing. There is a very like 101% surety that cryptocurrency will be very huge, valuable, transactionable thing in the way future. It's a future currency, it's not right now thing. It's a future currency which can be used a lot in the future. So rather than regretting that you were not in the you were not a part of cryptocurrency in the before time, be a part of a cryptocurrency at right now point. Just a second. Okay, so let's discuss what do we have to offer all of you. We have not just like the most smallest thing, but we have a huge thing for all of you people to offer. Like I said to you already, like how useful a cryptocurrency is for future and why you need to be part at right now point, because it is like a few like a, future is moving very fast. Okay, if you are a part of cryptocurrency at right now point, then in the far most future you are the most profitable person, because you won't be having any regret. People are already regretting that they didn't start trading in 2009 2008 when the cryptocurrency started. Okay, they already have this one huge regret. Don't have that regret. Start a crypto trading right now via zbit.com, and trust me, it is not just a platform. We are not just offering a platform, but so much things. Let's discuss all those things which we are offering to all of you. First of all, what is it? A create an account. Very simple. You just need to put country code, email address, password, and that's all, and then sign up. That's all you need to start your crypto journey. That's all you need. You don't need any other thing. Just three details: country, email address, password, and boom. Without even paying any initial amount, without even putting any money for anything. It's a free opening account. Once you open account, then you will be receiving a very important thing. You all know that cryptocurrency is the most valuable currency out there in the right now world, which are like considered to be more expensive than silver, copper, gold, and blah blah thing. Okay, that is an opportunity for you to gain. What is it? You can earn worth over 1,200 and get your first crypto asset at zbit.com. You can earn this huge amount of benefit from the crypto from the zbit.com. Like you can get your first crypto asset without even paying a single amount, without even doing any deposit or any investment. You can get a free cryptocurrency from the zbit.com. It can be a stable coin, which is Bitcoin or Ethereum, or it can be altcoin, which is Solana, XRP, or it can be meme coins like Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and so on. You get a lucky spin, and there is no there is no such things like maybe you will get it or maybe you won't get a cryptocurrency. No, it's 100% win. You will be end up having a cryptocurrency, the most valuable cryptocurrency out there in the world right now. Okay, so for that, what you need to do is just sign up, create an account with country code, email address, password, and that's it. You are an eligible, and you will be getting a first crypto asset from the zbit.com, maybe a Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, maybe Solana, XRP, or whatsoever. But let me tell you this one thing: majority people will get meme coin. There is a reason, and there are very less people who will getting a Bitcoin. There is a reason for that. Obviously, Bitcoin, the value it holds, we cannot provide Bitcoin to everybody. Obviously, we will go bankrupt the next day itself if we start giving Bitcoin to each and everybody out there. Okay. So for that one thing, what we need to do is we need to do one very specific thing, that algorithm is set. Algorithm is like 1 in 500 people will receive BTC. Okay, so if you are, or if you want to be that 1 in 500, start downloading and start making an account in the cryptocurrency. See, every household has at least 5 to 6 phones. Your mom, your father, your brother, your cousin, or whatsoever. Okay, so in this, always, if in your account, in your number, you didn't got cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, blah, try the next, try the next, try the next, try the next. In a one household, you can open 5 to 6 account with the 5 to 7 different numbers. If you get any of this thing, then you are the luckiest person. But it won't happen until and unless you don't try. Okay. So, first reward which Zbit offers you is a free cryptocurrency, which is the most valuable currency out there, BTC. Just imagine that you can get a BTC from zero investment, zero deposit, nothing, no investment, no money we are asking from your side till right now point. Okay. Okay, understand this whole procedure, till when we will ask you money and what kind of money you need to put on every of those things. First reward, you got the free cryptocurrency, maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, or whatsoever, depending on the lucky spin which you receive. Got it? That is a spot coin which will be with you forever. Till the time you want to hold, you can hold. When you want to sell, you can sell. It depends on you now. It depends on you. It's completely depends on you. If you want to sell, you can sell. If you want to get, you can get. Got it? Okay. That is a spot coin which you are offering to all of people. Second situation. What is the second reward which you will be getting? Like I said, first reward we give you free cryptocurrency. Now in the second reward, we are giving you more bigger than the cryptocurrency. What is bigger than cryptocurrency? The most important thing which every human person needs in their life is experience. Now zbit.com gives you that one free experience from the future trading. See, future trading can be little confusing for a lot of people. Welcome user Maria FS. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. I'm explaining rewards to all of the new users. What kind of rewards do you have from the Zbit and how you to use those reward and every of those things. Okay. After that, like you can see, like we will start our challenge from turning 100 USDT into the 1000 USDT. Okay. So till right now point, please understand what rewards you are having, how to use those reward, how to gain profit from those reward, each and every of those things. Understand. Okay. So welcome user 341764. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Okay. Thank you so much. Hi bro, I'm new to this. Welcome user 471436. If you are new to this, I'm explaining you the new user reward itself. Like you may have got the first cryptocurrency. Now I'm gonna explain you the free trade which you get worth over 20 USDT. Okay, I'm explaining you each and every of those things on this live stream at right now point. Okay, so be stay on the live stream, understand each and every of those things till the point you get everything clear. And even if after that you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. Okay, because this live stream is regarding that, for clearing your gaining knowledge of the cryptocurrency. I can give you knowledge regarding how to trade, how to do market analysis, what kind of coins you can enter with what kind of investment, and what kind of movement you can capture. Every of those things I can help you with this. The only thing you need to do is ask on the comment section. If you don't ask, then I'll be continuing with my own content. Okay, but if you ask me something, then I will help you with it for very sure. Okay, why this asking my number after selecting buy and sell button? It is because that you have not created an account. It is required. See, once you give your phone number, it will register yourself. So it's basically, this is just email address and password. For that, you need to connect yourself with a phone number for better security. It will ask you OTP and all kind of stuff, so that your account will not get hacked or any of those things. It is just for security reasons. Okay, it is nothing for like we are taking your number or something like that. No, the phone number is to connect yourself, increasing the security, which is necessary, very important. We have connected. See, same reason, like even if you have Google Pay, Phone Pay, anything pay, we connect our number to it, phone number to it, for security reasons. Same thing. That's the same exact thing. By Zbit asks you, once you click on buy or sell button, it will ask you the phone number to create your legit account. Okay, this, you open an account, and to add a security to it, you need to put your phone number. Okay, so that's why they are asking you, nothing other than that. Okay, with your phone number we cannot do anything. To be very frank, what are we going to do with your phone number? Okay, it is for your benefit to add security to your account. Okay, so that is required over there, the phone number, for the security purposes, nothing else, nothing else than that. Okay, just give me one moment. I need water. I will just get water. How much you earn money from this platform? A lot. Like, see, money earning depends on what kind of trading you are doing. I do future trading, so I earn a lot in the future trading, because in the future trading you get both options. Even if the market is going up, I can make money, and even if the market is going down, I still can make money, because future trading gives you that option. Future trading is basically like you're predicting what the price can be in the next day, in the next hour, in the next 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or whatever, in the future. Basically, like right now, if I give you example, one second. See, right now, if I give you example of this, see, market started dropping like this, we can get a very huge advantage of capturing market till here, or the fair value gap, very easily. Okay, so in this situation, what happens? Even if the market is going down, at this point the market value is what? 91,445. That is the value of the market. I will just predict that market price can go more below in the upcoming minutes, hours, days, month, whatsoever. And from there I will put a short trade. In the future there are two options. One is long trade and one is short trade. In the Zbit app, it might be an easy mode, because there are two modes in the Zbit app for future trading. One is classic, which gives you option of long and short. Long means that your prediction is saying that the price can go up, and short means that your prediction is saying the price can fall down. In the easy mode, it is called buy and sell. But do not get fooled by it. In the future trading, we do not buy anything or we do not sell anything. Okay, we are not buying any cryptocurrency or we are not selling any cryptocurrency. We are just holding that XYZ value of the cryptocurrency and predicting if the price can go up or the price can fall down, in which we get access of earning profit in both of the market. Even if the bullish what happens after selecting buy or sell button. Okay, I will tell you. So that is basically a reward which we offer to you for gaining a free experience. Okay, free experience for future trading, because most of the people do not know how to use future trading and how to gain profit from the future trading. Okay, from this, it will show you in the app, it will show you small option, either you want to do in BTC or you want to do in Ethereum, right? Am I right? It will show you these two options, BTC or Ethereum, right? After that, you will pick one option, like I want to do BTC or you want to do Ethereum. You pick. After picking that thing, it will show you small chart. Okay, small chart it will show you, and there is buy and there is a sell option below that chart. Okay, once you click on the buy situation, what is going to happen is, buy means that you are predicting that the price can go up. You are not buying any cryptocurrency, you are not buying BTC or Ethereum, but what you are doing is you are predicting the price can go up or can fall down. Okay, that is what future trading is. Future trading is not like spot. For example, spot is basically what, I went to a physical store, I asked them, this is my money, give me the product, I got the product. This is spot trading. Okay, but in the future trading, what is happening is, I give you money, but you do not give me product. I am not having that product in my hand, I am not owning that product. What I'm just saying is basically that gamble, casino gamble. We have played roulette. Like once that roulette starts spinning, we say maybe black color it will land or maybe red color it will land, right? Same exact thing happens over here. In the future trading, we are just doing prediction. We are not buying or we are not selling. Even though buy and sell option, can you see there? It is because of your easy understanding. I know people who are very new to the market, they will not know what do you mean by long, what do you mean by short, which you can see over here. Like for example, if I show you trade future, okay, I have to log in to show you. Okay, this is in here. You will see long and short. Okay, in here you will see long and short. I have to log in. I will log in 5 minutes. Okay, so after buy and sell, what is going to happen? If you think, see, once you see the small chart, you can see a bigger chart in the trading view. Once you see at BTC market or Ethereum market, whichever you are picking, decide whether the price can fall down from that point or it can go up from that point, and that too in 1 hour. Why 1 hour? Because once you click on buy or on the sell, that trade will be open, that trade will be active for the next 1 hour only. After 1 hour, that trade automatically will get closed with whatever profit you are having. With whatever profit you are having, that trade is gonna get closed automatically. Got it? So if you decide to go for buy, that means you are doing prediction that the market price can go above. And if you are deciding to put sell, that means the market price is going below. Once you click any of the situation, your prediction will be going and your trade is active. You will start seeing that whatever PNL means profit and loss. If it's a green color, you are having profit. If it's a red color, you are having a loss. For 1 hour, the trade will be active. Whatever profit you earn, whatever, whatsoever, $1, $5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever profit you earn from the market is completely and completely your profit. You can have it. But that 20 USDT which we give it to you for taking the first free trade, we will be taking that back. That's all. For example, if you got 5 USDT profit, let's say example, you traded in the BTC, you decided that the market can fall down. Okay, from that point, you are starting earning profit. $5 profit you earn, your trade is closed, 5 profit you earn. 20 was your investment which we offered to you, 5 is your profit. In the available balance, it will not show 25, it will only show 5, which is your profit. That 20 investment which we offered to you will be gone from the your account, because it is just given to you for taking a trade. Okay, and what if you lose the money? Obviously there might be a chance that your prediction can go wrong. Your prediction can go wrong anyway, like maybe you are not predicting, the you predicted the market can fall but it went up. Or for example, you predict the market can go up and from there it fall. So in this situation, if you are facing any losses, $1, $10, 20, or complete 20 is gone. After 1 hour, if I get profit, how to withdraw that to any currency? I will show you that as well. Okay, let's discuss the loss thing. I will show you how to withdraw as well. Okay, do not worry about that. So once you got the XYZ loss, that loss you don't have to pay anything. We will take care of the loss, whatever loss it is. Just take it as an experience because of win-win situation. If you gain profit, you are having double win. You are gaining experience of the future trading, plus you are gaining profit. But even if you're losing a money, that is still a win situation, because that loss you don't have to pay anything and you are gaining experience in understanding future trading. Okay, if you still don't understand future trading, please comment on the comment section that explain me the future trading in the most simplest way. I will explain you the future trading in the most simplest way, because future trading is not a spot trade. Spot trade is a simple buy and sell. I give you money, you give me something. That is spot. Okay. Future trading is not like spot, but the most profitable trading format is a future trading. Okay. If you don't understand what is future trading, please feel free to ask on the comment section that tell me about future currency. What is future trading? Now, to answer your question, after 1 hour, if I get profit, how to withdraw that any currency? Okay. First of all, yes, you can withdraw your profit. How to withdraw, I will tell you. Okay, let me log in into my account. Just give me one moment. I'll log in into my account and I will show you how to withdraw that currency. Why wrong password? It is the right password. Okay, yes, is. I will log into my account and I will show you how to withdraw those currency. Okay, just give me one moment. I'm logging into my account. Verification code will come. Can you explain more about referral programs? I will explain about referral program, because there is one referral program which you can earn a huge money just by referring people. Just give me one moment. I will explain user 471436 query of how to withdraw, and then I will explain you Maria F how like about the referral programs. Okay, just give me one moment. 899197. Okay, done. Login has happened. Let's take it over here. Okay, in a spot, let me just transfer my money first. I have from spot to future the 100. Okay, I have 100 USDT in my account. Okay, so how to withdraw? For example, like I said to you, if you have money in future trading, okay, there are two things which can happen. If you want to withdraw the spot, because there are two trades. One is spot trading. Even in here, you will have available balance, and in the future trading also you have an available balance. Okay, so from future you cannot directly withdraw. What you can do is you can click on the transfer. From here, future to spot, transfer whatever amount, 50, 60, or whatever you want to withdraw. Click on that and then it will come transfer. For example, right now I will just transfer 50. Confirm USD future to spot. Okay, transfer done. Now I transfer my, you can see my future account is 0, and in here if I come to the spot account, you can see the spot account is having that value. Okay, after this, can you see a withdraw option over here? Click on that withdraw option, click on the crypto withdrawal, and from there you can click the currency, whatever currency you want to click. You want to click Shiba, USDT, BTC, blah 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 situation. Mostly people transfer it into the USDT. From there you can click your own blockchain. See, every of those blockchain has a different transfer fee. Transfer fee, the most minimum is 1 USDT. For example, if you are withdrawing 5, then 1 will go to the transfer fee, 4 will be credited into your account. Okay, so every of those cryptocurrencies have blockchain. These are blockchains. You have to pick one blockchain. Mostly pick Optimism. It is faster, safer, and it has the one USDT transfer fee only. Some has 2.5, 1.75, something like this. Optimism is best. Click Optimism. After that, put your wallet address over here. This is where you put your wallet address. Okay. If you don't have a wallet address, create a wallet address first before withdrawing, because you need a crypto wallet. This is not your bank account address. Okay. This is a blockchain address. This is basically your digital address. Okay. You click your add your address over here. After adding your address over here, then click on the withdrawal amount, whatever withdrawal amount you have to pick. Minimum amount of USDT withdrawal is 5. You cannot withdraw 4, 3, 2, 1. No, either 5, 6, or so on and so on and so on. Above 5, basically 5 or above 5 you can withdraw in USDT. Minimum is 5 USDT. Understood? Okay, this is how you will withdraw your cryptocurrency. Very simple. Just click on the crypto withdrawal, select the currency, add your blockchain, then click your wallet address over here, and after that click your withdrawal amount, whatever withdrawal amount it is. 5, 6, 7, 8. Minimum is 5. Understood? Okay. Now, Maria FS, let me explain you regarding the referral program. Okay. So, let me just hide it for 1 minute. Referral commission. Okay. What kind of referral commission you can earn and how much you can earn and what you need to do for earning that commission, I will tell you everything over here. How to convert to your currency. What do you mean how to convert to my currency? Like from traditional currency to digital currency? Like INR to USDT and USDT to INR. Are you asking about that thing? Like you want to convert INR to USDT and USDT to INR. Is it that thing you are asking? Question mark. User 471436. You want to convert INR to USDT and USDT to INR. Is that what you are? Rupees. Okay. So for that, you can contact to our customer service, because we also have a P2P market, which is converting INR into USDT. Okay. So Zbit is a crypto exchange platform, and CheezyBit is a P2P market where you can convert INR into USDT. You can go check out CheezyBit as well, which is our P2P market. So once you come from this point, like you earn USDT, you want to convert to INR, contact CheezyBit, or you can simply contact to customer service, ask them about CheezyBit. They will guide you through that. Okay, very simple. CheezyBit P2P market. We have both. If you don't know regarding, I will show you this thing over here. CheezyBit. See, this is our P2P market. Cheesy, this is our platform only. We have both. We have like USD to INR. Yes, you can come over here. You can log in and you can see the whole market. At this, you can see the buy, sell value as well. Like how much we are buying, how much we are selling. Selling value, you can see 97. Buying value, you can see 95. You can just connect blah 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 thing, or you can just sell this thing, and you can do it. Got it? You can see how much amount they need. They need amount 500, 1000, 58, 33, blah, 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 blah. Connect to the CheezyBit. Can you see CheezyBit? That is our CheezyBit platform, which is a P2P market converting INR into USDT. Got it? This is our platform only. Okay, this is not a different platform. It's our company's platform. We have two different platforms. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform. CheezyBit is our P2P market platform. Okay, simple. Understood how to convert the currencies and every of those things? Contact, you can create your login and start doing everything. You can pick your own thing from amount of fiat, transfer method, UPI, phone pay, Paytm, IMPS, bank transfer, P2P or block, whatever you want to do, you can do it doing that thing. Check, you can see the whole prices, what prices are, like everyday prices change. Okay, sometime it is little high, sometime it is little less. Okay, it depends. Cool. Understood? I hope I've cleared your doubt. User 471436, everything clear? Cheesy bit, okay? Cheesy bit. This is where you have to come. Got it. Okay. So let me explain you like Maria FS and also the other user who are there. Please understand what is a referral commission. Without even taking a single trade or anything, you can still earn such a good amount of commission from Zbit just by referring a lot of people and inviting them into Zbit. Okay. There are basically 4 levels to it. Level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. Okay, I will explain you each and every situation. Okay, first understand this one thing. I will show you in the Zbit app. Where is Zbit app? Okay, this is Zbit app. Can you see in the last option, can you see referral? In that referral you can see that link. Okay, this is your code and where is it? Yeah, this is your invite code. Can you see invite code over here? This is that invite code which you need to put and your friend will put where? If I do log out, 1 second, let me do log out and sign up. Can you see invitation code over here? See, invitation code. This code, your friend, colleague, family member, whoso people you are inviting needs to put over here. First step is this. Okay, you can find out this code from 1 second. Yeah, the home page of Zbit. Can you see a home page of Zbit? And can you see the last option over here? The referral. Click on that. You will get the code over here. This is your code. Copy that thing and give it to your friend, colleague, or whosoever people you are inviting. And that person needs compulsory, very important. That person needs to put their invitation code over here. Over here, he needs to put it, then and then only you will get that account under your name, otherwise you won't get the commission. Okay, so first step I told you, your invitation code XYZ, whatever it is, that needs to be put. Okay, first is this. Other than this, now how many people you need to invite to get how much commission? For example, if you invite 1 to 4 people, okay, minimum 1, maximum 4. If you invite 1 to 4 people, you will get 20% of commission from Zbit. 20% of commission. Okay, second, if you invite 2, sorry, 5, my bad, 1 second. Yeah, if you invite 5 to 9 people, okay, then you will be getting how much? You will be getting 30% of commission from Zbit. Okay, but if my friend of mine had been invited by me, can he invite other people too? Yes, obviously everybody can use it. It is not for like once he came under you, then he cannot do. Everybody can do it. It's like basically that pyramid scheme. 1 invited 3, 3 invited 6, 6 invited 4, 4 invited 5. Like a pyramid scheme, it can happen. Okay, it's not like that the person who you invited cannot invite people. Everybody can invite anybody. Okay, if you invite 5 to 9 people, you get 30% of commission. If you invite 10 to 29 people, then you get 40% of commission from this Zbit app. Okay, then the last thing, if you invite 30 or whatever, infinity, 30, 40, 100, 200, nothing matter. Above 30, you will be getting just one commission, that is 50% of commission without even putting any efforts in doing trading. Okay, just by referring to the people, just by giving money to people, just by giving that invite code, tell them to put that invite code in that copy thing, you can get 20, 30, 40 or 50% of commission depending on number of people you invite. Okay, how much we can earn from referral? This is the percentage: 20%, 30, 40, 50. If you invite 1 to 4 people, 20% of commission. If you invite 5 to 9 people, 30% of commission. Invite 10 to 29, 40% of commission, and invite 30 to whatsoever, 30 and more, you get 50% of commission. Okay, but yes, Maria, you are correct. I will be telling you now terms and conditions of getting that commission. Okay, it is not just invite code. Invite code is a part of condition. There are 3 conditions which that person needs to fulfill. After that only you will be getting that this commission. Now what is that terms and condition? Let's discuss that. Okay, T and C, terms and condition. One condition is invite code. Invite code is the most important. Invite code needs to be inside that thing. If that XYZ person doesn't put invite code over here, then you will not get the commission, because basically it won't get registered under your name. Okay, so invite code is the most important thing, terms and condition. Second term condition is that person's first deposit, okay, from live stream function only. Okay, live stream function. Can you see my live stream over here? In this live stream, I will show you in here as well. Okay, just a second. Let me see live. Where is live? Okay, this is the live one. Fast, connect fast. Yeah, can you see our live stream over here? Can you see there are two options? One is take a trade and other one is deposit. Once that first deposit should be happening from this, click on this deposit and do the other process, like do the dear deposit and complete blah 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 situation. Okay, so that person's, whosoever person you invite, his first deposit should be from the live stream function only. Once he comes on this function, do the deposit on the live stream, whatever. See, there is no condition on depositing the amount. You deposit 1, you deposit 0.5, does not matter at all. But deposit from the live stream function is important. Okay, this is the second condition. Now third and the last condition is, okay, now third and the last condition. Third condition is 5 trades should be completed by that guy. Like for example, okay, so for example, like you, Maria, invited me. I need to complete 5 trades in the ZBeta. Now 5 trades can be profitable or loss, doesn't matter. For example, if I entered in the trade right now, for example, see, if I can see that the market is falling down, I entered for the sell. Let me correct, just for showing I'm doing paper trading. Okay, just for showing to all of people, nothing else. If I entered in this, I put the sell order there, and I exited in less than, I closed my position. That's all. I closed my position in less than 1 minute. Even if it does for 5 times, it is considered. Okay, agreed? Understood what I'm saying? That even if you entered the market, come out, close your trade before 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even seconds, does not matter. It will count as 5 trades. Okay, one time you enter, close the trade, 1 trade, second time close the trade, third, fourth, fifth, 5 trades. It doesn't matter that if you are inside the market for long time or very shorter time. Trade is what it matters. Okay, understood? Okay, what is a social media platform, bro? It is Zbit. You can check out zbit.com in the Instagram and on the Twitter as well. We have zbit.com name in the Instagram and the Twitter, zbit.com. I will show you if I can. Zbit.com. Yeah, it's a very recent one, but you can see this is our website, this is our Instagram, zbit underscore official. This is our official Zbit account. Okay, thank you so much for explaining. Will invite my friends. Okay, cool. Make sure to understand all the condition. Okay, condition number 1, invite code, very important. Second, first deposit should be from live stream, does not matter whatever the amount is, 0.5 USDT, 1 2 3 4 10 20, does not matter. 5 trades should be complete. I told you the hack already. For completing just 5 trades, you can just enter, exit, enter, exit, enter, exit. Within 1 second, 5 seconds, does not matter. 5 trades will be counted and you have received that 20, 30, 40 or 50% of commission from the zbit.com. Got it? Make sure that you're inviting more and more and more people and tell them that first deposit should be from live stream itself. If any of those condition, one condition is missing, you will not receive the commission. So make sure to complete all three conditions. Okay, cool. That is the referral program for all of people. What is your currency? What do you mean by what is my currency? Like if you're asking I'm an Indian or what, I am an Indian but working in Dubai. So I have like I earn in AED, which is Dubai currency, but my original currency is INR because I'm an Indian person. Yeah, and I have USDT as well into the in Zbit app. I have USDT as well. So I'm not understanding what do you mean by what is your currency. Do you want to know what how much like in what currency I earn in Zbit, that is AED, in what currency I trade, that is USDT, and what is my original currency, which is INR because I'm an Indian. Okay, three currency I have. Original one Indian INR, I earn in AED Dubai currency, and I trade in USDT. Okay, three. Three. Okay, so I hope you have understood all three rewards. Third was the feature, and more than this, more than this. Okay, there is one more thing which I want to tell you. Okay, in the Zbit app, there is a new feature added for all of you people. Okay, so that you can take advantage of it. How? See, you guys have a very common questions like I don't know in which coin should I take a trade. I don't know if I should take a trade. That's awesome, bro. Yeah, yeah, that's awesome. That's actually awesome. Yeah. So everybody has this whenever they want to take a trade, they have a very common thing like I don't know which coin to enter for. I don't know which coin to trade for. Like which is the trendy coin and every of those things, every of those coins. Okay. Zbit has bought you one very good feature for all of you people, which is called as AI Cont Bot name Z. Okay, AI Cont Bot, and it is called as Z. If you don't have in your app, please update your Zbit app, download the newer version, and you will see that AI Codebot Z will give you last 1 hour the most trendy coins. Whatever coin is there, which is the most trendy in the last 1 hour, you will be receiving those coins over here, like 4 to 5 coins. I can show you over here. 1 second. Okay. See, can you see best futures last 1 hour? This is the best futures of last 1 hour. This is that trendy coin which is given by the AI Conbot, and in that it will also show you what kind of percentage the market has moved. Fat coin has moved 171%, Comp USD has moved 130%, Kite Kaito USDT has moved 108%, and they will also tell you what can you go for. Right now it is sell, sell, sell. It's a signal which they have given you that you can go for a sell, but do not rely on the AI signals. Sometime it may can go wrong as well. So my suggestion, take the advantage of knowing the trendy coins, and for the signal, what kind of signal you want to go for. Do you want to go for buy or do you want to go for sell? That you can do it on your own by understanding and doing a market analysis. Okay, I don't want you people to say like the AI said sell, then the buy happened. See, AI can give you a wrong signal as well, because at the end, what AI is doing is a calculation. That's all. AI is calculating whatever data is being provided to him. The data, the next, like before 5 minutes, the data can be for sell. A lot of sell order, sell order, sell order, sell order. But after that 5 minutes, maybe a big, huge buy order can come, which AI will again calculate and turn that signal from sell to the buy. Okay, so understand according to your sense, according to your market analysis. Okay, don't just rely on the AI signal that it said, it told you to go for sell and you went for sell. Understood? I have 100 USDT per account. 100. Okay, I've explained you each and every of those things what Zbit offers to you, all the reward. free cryptocurrency, and then you get your first experience as a future trading, in which we will provide you the investment of 20 USDT. Profit is completely yours. You can withdraw that as well, but you cannot withdraw the bonus amount, which is 20 USDT. Okay. Third feature is this live stream, in which you can gain an extreme knowledge regarding the trading, how to do it, how to do market analysis, how to find the trade, and blah 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 situation, whatever it is. And even if you are having any problems, any situations, any issues in your trading journey, you can come and solve it at this point as well. Other than this, there is the fourth feature is the referral commission, which I just explained you, that just by inviting people on the Zbit, you can still earn a very huge amount of money. It can come up to, it starts from 20% of commission, it will go up to 50% of commission, 20, 30, 40, 50, depending on number of people you are inviting. Okay. And also please make sure to understand terms and conditions. There are three terms and condition. Invite code, very important. First deposit from the live stream function, very important. And third is the five trades. That slash he she slash them should complete five trades in the zbit.com. Doesn't matter if it's for 1 second trade, 5 second trade, 1 minute trade, does not matter at all. Okay. After this, there is one last thing which Zbit offers you. That is a feature which is an AI cont bot, which gives you a last 1 hour the most trendy coins. All those coins which are the most trendy over here are those coins which will be given to you. Okay, understood? Simple. Five things which Zbit offers to you. I hope all the people will start their Zbit journey as soon as possible to be in the most profitable market. Okay. Okay. So let's see what we can do with the market today. Before that, I would like to take a small break. I will take a small break. After that break, we'll come back. We'll discuss the market analysis of BTC, Ethereum, and also those coins which is suggested by the crypto market. And we'll start doing our trading into the Zbit app, not the paper trading but the actual trading, so that you can also start taking a trade with me. Okay, this is today is a challenge day number 1. First we created 10 to 1000 in 10 days, which was not a good challenge, because see, turning 10 into 1000, it cannot be possible in just 10 days. For that we need to capture a very huge amount of market, like maybe 10%, 20% of market we need to capture, which we don't get every day. Okay. And I also come live stream for 4 hours only. In that 4 hours, finding a trade is little hard, because not every time, like every second of the every second of the crypto market is not pumping or dumping. Right now, as we can observe, the market is just going in a sideways market from where a huge breakout has been given. But if this breakout will, like, it will be there, it will be supported, and it will fall down completely till the fair value gaps or not, we have to discuss, we have to observe that thing in the later part. Okay, before that we will see the market analysis. I will show you how to read the chart, how to find your entries, how to make sure like where the market is trying to do, where is the market trying to go, because that is the most important thing, because that's where the future trading comes. Prediction of market can go up or fall down, that what you need to do from this. Okay, so let's just I'll take a small break. After that break, I will be coming back and we will be discussing every of the scenarios. Okay, so I will come in 5 to 10 minutes. Bye bye. Cool. We are back. Just login into my account. User 878345. What is future trading? I will explain you future trading. Just a minute. Let me log in into my account and then I will explain you what is future trading. Four, five, six. Okay. Future trading. Let's transfer our amount first. Okay. We'll see what kind of market we need. Trade. We'll look. We'll see. Okay. So what is future trading? A person user 878345. User 878345. What is future trading? Okay. So future trading, very simple to understand. It is not a spot trading first of all. Okay. You are not gonna buy or you're not gonna sell anything. For understanding future trading very simply and very easily, let's understand what is spot trading. Spot trading, what we do in spot trading, like for example, I am a physical store. Okay. I will go to Apple store. I will give him some money and he will give me a product. Okay. Now this Apple product is what I have bought. I bought an Apple product by giving XYZ. Like, see, this may be worth whatever XYZ price. I at that time I bought it in 1,45,000. Okay. In this, at that point, I gave at that time I gave him 1,45,000 and he gave me 15 Pro. Okay. Now this is what I bought. Now it is, I'm a owner of this coin, owner of this phone. I can have this phone forever till the time I decide to either throw, either sell, or do whatever with it. It's my choice. That is a spot transaction, basically a spot trade. Or you can simply understand it by the same is gold. You went to a gold shop, you gave him some money, for example, whatever it needs. Yeah, you want to buy half kg of gold. You gave him money, he gave you half kg of gold. Now you can hold that gold till the point whenever the market value is good, like very, like maybe twice the price of you bought, maybe 5 times, maybe 6 times, maybe 10 times. And then you decide to, like, now the price of half kg gold, the time I bought was just 100 and now it is 500, so it can give me 400 profit. Same exact thing is a spot trading in the cryptocurrency. You give money, you get the cryptocurrency, whatever cryptocurrency it is. For example, you gave the spot. Okay, let's see what is the value of Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum today is 3,130. That is the value of the cryptocurrency, sorry, Ethereum right now. Okay, so you will provide him 3,130. He will give you one Ethereum. Spot transaction has been done because one Ethereum value is 3,130. That is the value. Okay, now once this value, one cryptocurrency, one Ethereum value is right now 3,130. Once it goes maybe 400, maybe 500, then you decided to sell. That is your profit. Okay, so future gives you one way of profit, that you buy at a cheaper price, okay, and then you sell at the higher price. That's all you can do in the spot trading. You can hold it. I'm not denying this fact that yes, you can hold it forever and you are a complete owner of that coin. Okay. Owner of that coin means, like, if you have bought it at 3,130, and even if, let's say, the market fall down to 2,000 or 1,000, still it's not like that once from your price the market start falling down so you start having loss. No, you are having a one Ethereum completely safe. Completely safe. You can wait maybe 10 years, maybe 20 years, till the point it can go up. You can wait. It is not an issue. That is spot trading. Future trading is something different. What we do in future trading is actually beneficial. Okay, so future trade, first thing in the future trade is that we are not buying or selling. Okay, we are not buying or selling any cryptocurrency. That is the first understanding of this. Yeah. So we are not buying or we are not selling any cryptocurrency. First of all, okay, we are not buying it, we are not selling it. If we are not buying and we are not selling any cryptocurrency, then what are we doing? Why there is an option of buy and sell in the future trade, which you can see on the fork. Okay, bro, it is asking Aadhaar card. Yeah, I'm like, to verify if you are a genuine person or not. See, once you open any financial platform, may it be bank account, may it be your phone pay, Google Pay, or whatever you are opening, any financial thing, they will ask you for your identification proof. So asking Aadhaar card is basically identifying proof, KYC, that we need to know our customer. Because what if you sometime, like tomorrow you came, you make a very good scam on us and then you went away? We cannot tolerate that. Okay, so to keep ourselves safe from that, we need to verify if you are a genuine person or not. That is the only reason we ask your Aadhaar card. Okay, it is not something very new. Every financial platform, it's not just crypto access platform, any financial platform, may it be your Google Pay, phone pay, Bharat Pay, bank account, or any other thing which you are opening, they will require your Aadhaar card for verification, KYC, basically. Okay. As an Indian, you should know this. Like, KYC is there for everything which is related to the finance. Okay. Asking Aadhaar card is just for that thing, that we need to know our customer. KYC, know your customer. That's all. It's not that we are going to use your Aadhaar card or something. It's just for verification that if you are a genuine person or not. That's all. That's all. Nothing else. Okay. How can I get after? Okay. How I get after 1 hour of future trading? Okay. See. What? Okay, bro. How I get after 1 hour of future trading? What do you mean by how I get after 1 hour of future trading? What do you mean by that? What are you like? What are you asking basically? I'm not getting what you are asking. How I get profit, or how I get that future trade, or what? What are you asking? I'm not getting. Can you ask it again, like, little properly? What are you asking to me? Like, how I get after 1 hour of future trading means, what do you mean by that? Profit. Okay. See, for example, you entered the market, you clicked buy or you clicked sell, whatever you clicked. From that point, observe the timing. Right now, time is what? 2:14. In Dubai, it is 2:14. Okay. India must be different timing. India lags like 1 hour, 1.5 hours. You are before us. I am delayed. Right now, it is 2:14. Maybe it may be 1 hour, 30 minutes ahead. Okay. The India. So from that point, whenever you click buy or sell, your trade is active. Okay, you can observe it into the future trade as well. For example, 1 second, I will show you futures. If you go on futures, you can see here positions. You can see your positions over here, which is active at that point. Okay, once you see profit xyz amount of profit, you see $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever profit. If you want to close your trade before that 1 hour, possible, that is also possible. But if you don't close your trade before 1 hour, automatically from the time you entered in the market, from that point, countdown of 1 hour will start, and that profit will directly automatically will get registered, will be shown into your available balance, which is here in the future balance. Okay, this is spot. 1 second, future. Yeah, in your future balance over here, it will be shown automatically available balance. Okay, once that trade is closed, it's not like 1 hour, after 1 hour only you can close it. If you want, you are satisfied with the profit, you can close it before 1 hour as well. But if you don't close it before 1 hour, then automatically after 1 hour it will be closed. Whatever profit you have earned from it, whatsoever it is, 1, 10, 20,000, 1 lakh, what doesn't matter, it will be shown over here in available balance. Okay, and from there, either you want to do withdraw, you want to take a trade with it, you can take a trade with it, whatever you want to do. After 1 hour, your profit will directly, you don't have to do anything, it will directly come to your available balance over here directly. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere, it will directly show into your available balance of future, not on the spot. Understand these things. See, once you see on the trade, there are two options, spot and future. You did a future trading, so it will show on the future available balance only. Don't go in the spot and then you will here see it is zero, then you will question where is my balance and blah blah blah. Your balance will get registered, will be shown into your future available balance. Okay, in future, not in the spot, because you did a future trading, not a spot trading. So your balance will be shown, the profit will be shown in the future balance, and that too directly. Okay, if you close it right now, you entered 5 minutes has done, whatever profit you close, that profit will be shown over here. Even if it's 0.001, still it will be shown over here. Even if it's 0.5, still 0.9, still $1, still $2, still $5, still it will show there in your available balance, whatever profit you are earning from it, whatever. Okay, above 20, but above 20, even if you're earning 0.001, that 0.001 will be shown on your available balance automatically. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to get it from somewhere, it will be there. Once you close the trade, it will be shown over here in the available balance. Got it? Clear? Okay, clear. Okay, now I was explaining you future trading. Yes, future trading. User 873745 asked what is future trading. Okay. So, like I was saying to all people, like in the future trading, you are not buying or you are not selling anything. Okay. So you are not buying or you are not selling anything. That means even though, see, I will show you one thing. I was showing you that thing only. Okay. I forgot. In the future, you can see it still says buy and sell. Okay, this is why, because of the easy mode. There are two mode. If you click on this three option over here, then you can see here it is, one is trading model, one is classic, and one is easy mode. You are right now on the easy mode. That's why it's so that why it shows buy and sell. If you click on the classic mode, which is the like the classic, which is the technical, how this is how it should look: open long, open short. Okay, this is a classic version of the future trading, which is generally available like this. But not to get you confused, that's why we have given you is a easy mode. Can you see easy mode? Once you tap on the easy mode over here, easy it will show, and it will just show you buy and sell. Got it? But don't get confused by it. You are not actually buying or you are not actually selling it. Okay, you are not buying or you are not selling anything. It is a simple representation of what? It is a simple representation of classic, which is open long and open short. Understood? Okay, so in the future, we do not buy, we do not sell, we do not own anything in the future trading. We do not own anything. For example, how should I give example of what shall I give example? Okay, okay, got it. So do you know that right now you can do stakes as well? Stakes, I think stakes will be very hard for you to understand. Something simple, something very simple for you to understand. Okay, so for example, you bought a land. Okay, you bought a land at XYZ price, but you are not getting a registration of that land. You're just buying a contract of that land. Okay, like lease, you talk about lease, right? Like for 1 month, for 1 year, for 10 year, a property, you can hold that property, you can use that property, but you cannot own that property, right? In a similar way, for example, that you leased that profit, okay, for 1 year. At the time you bought, at the time you leased that profit, it will be like, let's say, 100 rupees. And the time you're selling it, maybe the price can go above. From 100 it can become 200. So when you give that to somebody else, this you will earn a bigger profit, that is 200. That is increasing the contract, right? Same situation. Even that was a little hard to understand for all of people. Okay, buying and selling, basic simple understanding is the roulette. That's the most simplest understanding. Future trading, you do not buy, you do not sell, you give him money. See, in the roulette we give him money, like I want to put my $10, I want to put my $20, I want to put my 1 million. He will put that, and you will decide whether it can land on the red or whether it can land on the green. Okay, so once it lands on your prediction, you are earning profit. Same happens in the future. We do not buy, you are not owning that casino, you are not owning anything, you are not owning that ball, you are not owning that spin, but you are just putting your money for prediction. Same thing. We do not buy, we do not sell, we do what is open long, and we do is open short. Okay, this is the two thing which we do: open long, open short. Open long means that you're predicting that the price can go above. Okay, moving above, price is going above. Open short means that your price can fall down. That's all. Prediction for two sides. If I close the whole trade, will that money show up in my withdrawal section, bro? See, that 20 USDT bonus, user 471436. Okay, that 20 USDT bonus will not be able to withdraw. Again, I'll repeat, that 20 USDT bonus cannot be withdrawn. It is money given from us. That's our money which we give it to you to do investment, to take the trade, to gain the first free experience. Okay, that profit is withdrawable, only the profit, not the 20. Okay, the money which will show up into your available balance, yes, it is, you can withdraw that, but it should be more than 5. Okay, it should be more than 5, because that's what we give. the minimum withdrawal of USDT is 5. If you earn profit of 4, you cannot withdraw. If you earn profit of 3, you cannot withdraw. If you earn profit of 2, you cannot withdraw. If you earn profit of 1, you cannot withdraw. But if you earn a profit of 5, yes, you can withdraw it. And also, for example, let's say that you earn the profit of 2 USDT. Okay. At this point, you can deposit more 3. 2 plus 3 will become 5, and then this 5 you can withdraw. Understood the whole withdrawal procedure? For example, again I'll say, if you got only 1 USDT profit, okay, from that 20 you put in the trade, you are gaining profit, and the profit which you got is 1 USDT. Simply 1 USDT you cannot withdraw. You need minimum how much? 5. What you can do is deposit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which will become 5, and then this 5 you can withdraw. Understood? I hope you understood. If you have any doubt regarding this, please clear it right now, because I'm in some explaining some user regarding what is future trading. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please ask. Whatever doubt you are having, please feel free to ask me. Even if you're having anything with that withdrawal thing or anything, please do ask. I will wait. Everything good? No doubt, nothing. Let's continue our topic. Okay. So, like I said to you, there are 2 positions which you can open in the future trading. One is open long and other one is open short. Open long, prediction that the price can go above. Okay. Open long, prediction the price can go above, and open short is a prediction that the price can fall down. Simple. That simple is a future trading. What is the benefit of this, like open long, and what is the benefit of not buying or not selling it? Okay, see, in this way, you can earn a profit in both of the both market profit. What do you mean both market profit? In the spot, you have just one way to earn profit: buy cheap, sell high. That's the only way of earning profit from the from the spot market, right? But in the future market, your both way trading, both way profit is there. Even if market falling, market is crashing down, a lot of people go in the panic situation, like shit, the market is crashing down, we are losing money, blah 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 thing. In that, the only thing you need to do is predict that the price can fall more. Enter. You are, whenever the market is falling, as much as the market is falling, more profit you are gaining. Same goes for the buying situation. If the price is going above, there is a pump in the market, you predict that the market price can go above and you are earning profit from it. Both way profit you can earn. Even if you're earning profit from the buy, market is pumping, predict long, buy, easy mode, buy, classic mode, open long, you can earn profit. And if the market is falling down, predict the price is falling down, which means open short, or in easy mode, sell. As much as the market fall down, you are earning profit from it. Okay, simple to understand. The only one thing which you require for your trade to go right is your market understanding. That your market understanding should be very good. Like whatever your prediction is should be exactly correct. If you predict market can go up, market should go up. If you predict market can fall, market should fall. Okay, because if, for example, let's say you predicted long and that the price can go above and market is falling, in this way there are high chances and very quick chances that you will get liquidated from the market. Liquidated from the market means the overall whatever money you are having in the account will be gone. If you don't put SL, if you put SL, then you can control your liquidation. That is possible. But if you don't put SL, then your market, your account can go zero if you don't predict right. Okay, because you have seen in the crypto market, volatility is very good. The movement, the like market going above is very fast, market falling below is also very fast, like a finger snap. Okay, so make sure to do your analysis the most perfect way. Okay, now this is one thing. Now there are more advantage of the future trading. One is leverage and another is margin. Okay, let's understand leverage. See, for all those people who are in their 20s or still they don't trust the crypto market to the fullest, for those, leverage is the best option. Why? Because see, obviously the people who do not trust the crypto market, they don't want to enter with a big investment. Yes, and the people who are in their 20s, they don't even have that much good investment to invest in the crypto market, right? But leverage solves your problem. Even if you are having the most smallest investment, let's say, one second. Okay. Okay. Welcome user 334062. Like I was explaining you leverage. Okay. Even if you are having the smallest investment, smallest to smallest, let's say you have just 5 USDT. Still with that 5 USDT, you can open and trade worth of 50 or maybe more than that by picking a leverage. How does a leverage work? I will explain you. See, this is a leverage option. Can you see a leverage? This is BTC leverage. Okay, coin BTC's max is 125. Basically, whatever your investment is, multiply that with this number. If you are picking 25, then 5 into 25. If you picking 30, then 5 into 30. If you picking 50, then 5 into 50. If you picking 100, then 5 into 100. Even with just 5 USDT, if you pick 100x of leverage, that 5 USDT can become 500 USDT worth of trade you can take in the market. Okay, see, leverage is blessing, at the same time leverage is a curse as well. It depends on how you are using it. If you want to use leverage as a blessing, then you need to make sure that your analytics is way strong than any other people. Why? Because see, for example, if you opened a 5 USDT trade with 100x of leverage, yes, you are opening a 500 USDT of trade, a bigger trade you can take. But at the same point, it does not mean that you can have a loss of 500. No. If you start having a loss, then you can have, for example, if you have available balance of, let's say, 10, from that 10, you invested 5 with 100x of leverage. Yes, you are eligible to get and open a 500 USDT of trade. Yes, no doubt on it. But at the same point, if you start losing your money, you will lose maximum 10 USDT because that is what you have in your account. Okay, it won't go beyond your account. Whatever you have in your account, that's the max you can have like loss. After that, your account is completely zero. You will be thrown out of the market. You got liquidated. Okay, all your liquidate is basically you got your account is zero now. Your available balance is zero or your investment is gone. That is what the liquidation means. Okay, so understand these things. Like I said to you, leverage is a blessing, at the same time it's a curse as well. Pick a leverage according to yourself, whatever you can risk. And if your analytics is way strong, then go for 125x as well, does not matter. If and only if your analytics is the most strongest, that yes, exactly this is going to happen in the market. Okay, then and then only pick the leverage which is high, like above 50, above 30. Other than that, if it's not that, then pick minimum 10, 20, that's all. 10, 20 is a good amount. You can pick it. You can pick 10, 20 leverage. You can do it. I like when I was doing that 10 USDT into 100, 1000, I was picking 20, 30 leverage itself, which was giving me good amount of profit of double, triple amount of profit of what I was investing in the market. Okay. Now, this is the leverage part. Even with the smallest investment, you can open a bigger trade. Got it? Cool. After that, there is a margin. Margin is a basically way of you to save the profit. Okay, which you can see over here. This is isolated. This is margin mode. One is cross. Good morning. Good EDM. User 7, I want to know more about this, please. More about what, please? I am explaining future trading right now. Do you want to know about future trading? Is that what you are saying to me on the comment section? You said, I want to know more about this. About this means what? I am explaining future trading right now. Okay. In that future trading, I'm explaining margin, leverage, position, and types of market order. Is that what you want to know? Let's be clear. Let's have a very clear communication over here. User 788618, good morning. It's actually good afternoon for me, but yeah, yes, sir. You want to know regarding future trading? Okay. So I will till now point what I've explained you, I will show you. First, in future trading, this is the future trading. There are three things which happens. Okay. First, we do not buy or sell any cryptocurrency. Let's understand from here. Basics of future trading, that we are not buying and we are not selling any cryptocurrency. Okay. That means I do not own. If I'm taking in future trading, if I go, see, in your Zbit, there are two modes. I will show you that two modes. Okay, because people get confused regarding that. Like they will say, in the future I get an option. 1 second. Okay, yeah, in the future you get option like buy and sell, and then they get confused, like in here I am buying, then why I'm not owning it or something like this. See, this is an easy mode of the future trading. Okay, if you tap on these three dots above, go here, you can see trading model, easy mode, and then you can also see a classic mode. Okay, see, can you see easy mode, and there is a classic mode. If you click on the classic mode, this is how a future trading looks. In there you will see open long, open short. For you not to get confused, that's why Zbit has made a easy mode in which you don't have to get confused with this much. In classic mode, you can see this whole format, like isolated, this margin mode, then this leverage, then types of orders, limit, limit order, market order, trigger order, and blah 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 blah, kind of this is what you can see over here in the classic mode, which is what future trading is about. Just for you people not to get confused, because we get it, you don't understand future trading in the most advanced way. That's why we have created an easy mode for you. Easy, you can see, once I click on easy mode, it will become buy and sell, simple. But understand this, even though there you can see buy and sell, that does not mean that you are buying or selling any currency. Okay, what we do in future trading is we predict, we guess the future. Like maybe market can fall, maybe market can rise. That's what we do in the future trading. Okay. So once you say that you want to go for buy, that means what? That buy means open long. That means like right now price of Bitcoin is what? 91340. This is the current price of the BTC at right now point. Okay. But open long or buy means what? That you're predicting that in the maybe next 1 hour, maybe next 1 month, maybe next 3 months, maybe next year, this price is gonna go above. It will not go down. That is open long or buy, which means you are predicting the price will go above. Okay. Now, sell. What do you mean by sell? Sell is open short. You are not selling cryptocurrency, but you are predicting the price will fall down. Okay. Basically, from here, can you see right now price is what? 91340. So if you open short, that means the price from there will fall down. That is what you are predicting. If your prediction goes right, you are earning profit. Okay. Now, third thing, in the future, you can earn both side profit. In the spot trading, we cannot earn both side profit. In the spot trading, what we can do is we buy cheap, we sell high. That is the only profit we get, right? But in the future trading, as we are just doing a prediction, nothing else, then what is happening? Even if the market is falling, we can predict the market can fall, earn profit. Even if the market is going up, we can predict that the market price can go up and we can earn profit. In the both scenario, we can earn profit. For example, right now, if I explain in this situation, see, if here I predict that the market price can fall down, this is my profit of open short. Okay. And from here, if I predict that the price is gonna go up, then this is my profit of open long. Market fall, I can earn profit. Market going above, I can earn profit. From both sides, I can earn profit. Okay. This is future trading. Now, in this future trading, there are some examples of like margin mode. Then there is leverage. Then there is types of order. Can you see limit order, market order, trigger order? There are three types of orders in the market, and there are two positions: open and long. Oh, sorry, open, long and short. Open long, open short, and close short, close long. Two types. Okay. Let's understand the leverage first. Okay. What do you mean by leverage? Leverage is very simple. Leverage means that even though you are having the least amount, you are not having even though you are having the most least amount. Okay, just a second. Okay, so like I was explaining you about the leverage, even though let's say that you are not having a very huge investment. Yes, you don't have investment. Obviously, all the retailers, they invest what, $10, 20 USD, 30, which is very less for a crypto market, which is sitting on a market cap of what, trillions. That's the market cap of the cryptocurrency. In that, if you put 10 USD, it's like nothing for that. So future trading offers you one option, that even if you're having the smallest investment to make, you can make that small investment into a big investment with the help of leverage. Leverage is basically what, like not buying, but kind of borrowing. borrowing somebody else's money. Either you can borrow it from the market or somebody else person. You cannot know which person you're buying from. Okay, it's basically borrowing. Now, every currency, cryptocurrency has different leverage on the ZBIT. BTC may have up to 125, some may have up to 75 only. Okay, so in this situation, whatever number it is there, like 25x, 50x, 75x, 30x, 40x, basically what you need to do is, for example, if I do 35x right now, can you see 35x, which means if I have 5 USDT into 35 becomes 5 into 35 becomes what? 5 into 35, 5, 5, 25 to carry 15, 175. Okay, 175 USDT worth of trade I can open. My simply 5 USDT can become 175 USDT to trade in the market. That is the powerful version of the leverage. Your small quantity can become a very big quantity. Very simple, very easy to understand. Small quantity can become a big quantity. Okay, got it? Simple. Okay, after this, leverage, simple. See, like I said to you, leverage is a blessing. At the same time, leverage is not good. If you take more leverage, there is a high risk of your account to get liquidate very easily, very fast. But if your analysis is perfect, you can gain profit very fast. Both situation is possible. Either you can gain profit very fast, or either you can lose profit very fast. Okay. Now, margin. Margin helps you in saving balance from the account. What do you mean by margin? Margin is basically a way of saving your balance. Cross and isolated, there are two versions. One saves your balance and one does not saves your balance. Okay. Cross means, see, if for example, if I opened an investment of 5 USDT with 10x of leverage, it becomes 50x of USDT worth of trade I'm taking. Okay. From the point, let's say that I entered for an open long position, predicting that the price can go above. Got it? From that, if let's say that the price is starting falling down, my entry from the entry price, market is going down, that is giving what? Minus, 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 loss, 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 loss. Okay. Now, maximum loss according to the technical situation, how much we can have is the investment. I invested 5 USDT, maximum loss can be of 5 USDT, right? But the cross margin does not end, does not stop at 5 USDT. Whatever available balance you have in your account, your capital account basically. For example, you had 10 USDT. From that 10 USDT, 5 is gone into the market for investment, and rest 5 is completely safe in your account. But if you use cross margin, then that rest 5 USDT, which is just in your account, is not safe at all. If you keep on having loss, let's say you had a loss of minus 5, your investment gone. Even after that, you are having market is falling down, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. That beyond investment, market is sucking money from where? From your available balance. So cross margin can make your whole balance go down, make it zero. Okay. And it is possible because of the volatility of the crypto market. The downfall is very fast. And in that situation, if you lose money, it can be gone within seconds or within minutes or within hours. Isolated version is completely opposite of that. Isolated version means basically one thing, that, for example, if you are using an isolated version, that means XYZ. Like let's say that you invested 5, you had 10, you invested 5, 5 is in available balance, save. Okay. Isolated version, if you pick isolated version margin, if you have the loss of 5 investment, your trade will get closed. It will not use your available balance which is there. Understood? Okay. Isolated version will not use your available balance. Maximum loss you can have is of your investment, not the balance which is there safe in your account. Simple. That is margin mode. Then comes three types of market: limit order, market order, trigger order. What do you mean by limit order? What do you mean by market order? What do you mean by trigger order? Okay, limit order is basically, see, for example, let's say you went on let's say you went on a street for shopping. Okay, now that guy said like, okay, this t-shirt is of 100 rupees, but you said nah, I want to buy it on 50. That's my final price for you. Either you take it or leave it. That's my final price, that I want to buy this t-shirt at 50. Even if you say 100, I don't want to give it. Even if you say that I will give it 40, I don't even want it 40. I decided, I came from home and decided that today I am gonna buy the t-shirt at 50 only. That is limit order for you. That market has one price, you don't want to enter at market price. You have already decided that this is the price I want to enter for whatever situation, for sell or for buy, but this is the price I want to enter, my fixed price. The same way, the shops, the company shops has the fixed price. Exactly in the same way, we can have our fixed price, that I want to enter at XYZ price. That's it. If market price is 91, I want to enter at 90 only. Whenever the market will come to 90, then only I want to enter at market. That is the meaning of limit order. According to my preference, I will enter into the my market price for whatever situation, for buy or sell, does not matter. Okay, limit order means my preference of market price I will enter. But if market comes to that price, then only your trade is getting open. But if market does not come to that price, your trade is not getting open. Understand this situation. Just because you put, like for example, right now BTC is going at 91k, you put 90k limit order, it 1 hour passed, 2 hour passed, 1 day passed, 2 days passed, the price never ever came to 90. That means your order is never ever got executed. The time market comes to 90, then and then only your order get executed. Before that, your order cannot get executed. Understand this situation. It depends on the, like, same example, like buyer and seller. If he said 100, you said 50, that means that buyer should, that seller should also agree that okay, I will give you this t-shirt on 50 rupees. If he's not agreeing on 50 rupees, then you cannot have the t-shirt. Simple. If you put on 90k, order value of 90k in the limit order, if the market does not come to 90, that means your order is not getting executed. Understood? Simple. Now what about market order? Market order means, in some shop you can see fixed rate, no bargain. That is market price for you, market order for you. That means fixed. This is the price, take it or leave it. I am not going to bargain even for 0.005 or 0.001. This is the market price and that's it. Either you want to buy at this price, buy. Either you want to sell at this price, sell. I am not going to do any bargain. It's a fixed price. In some shop, you can see that fixed price, no bargain, fixed rate. This is that market order. Fixed rate. This is exactly how it is going to be. Market price at right now market of BTC is going on 91350. Buy or sell at this price or no. Simple. Okay. Now, trigger order. Trigger order is something where you Dutch. Trigger order is something like where you Dutch. Like for example, I went to a clothing shop, street, not the mall, because in the mall you cannot bargain. You can bargain on the street shops. I went to a street shop for bargaining. What I told to that guy, like he said like this t-shirt 100 rupees. I said no, I don't want this shirt for 100 rupees. I wanted 50 rupees. But he said, see, the best I can do for you is 60. You take it or you leave it. That is trigger order for other people. Basically, market price, the one that seller gave you price 100, that is your market price. You said my bargain 50, that is a trigger order. Okay. And limit, like nearby this, basically nearby. If I say trigger, if I click on trigger, you have to put 2. Okay, this is the market price and this is the trigger price. Okay, so in trigger means what? That I said 50, that I wanted at 50, that is my point. Let's do bargain. But if he Dutches like, okay, I will give at 55, that is the best price for us. He is not coming to 50, and this is not limit, which is a fixed price that I thought from my hand, like I'm going to buy at 50 and 50 only. No, this is that thought, like, okay, I'm open to bargain. If I say 50, you say 55, okay, fine, at 55, done, deal done. Exactly the trigger order, you say him 50, the trigger order will find a best price for you. If not 50, if he thinks like 51, 52, 53, somewhere around there is a best price for you to make the deal, he will make the deal for you. Trigger order means open for bargain. Limit order, fixed bargain. I want 52 means 50 only. Market order means fixed rate, no bargain at all. Trigger order, open for bargain. Understood? Bro, trade is closed. What next I do? What kind of amount of profit you earned? User 471436. What profit you earned from that market? What is the profit you earned? Can you tell me amount, what profit amount you earned first? Because everything depends on that profit amount. If that profit amount is 5, 6, 7, 8, you can withdraw. If it is not 5, 6, 7, 8, you cannot withdraw, because minimum, like I said, minimum is 5. So user 471436, can you tell me please what kind of profit have you earned from the market? Not showing profit. How come it's not showing profit? Can you go in the trading history? See in here, go to the futures. Can you see futures? Then tap on this. Can you see a small icon of this book, and it shows timing? That will show you all your previous trade. Can you see previous order history? Click on that order history and you will see all the order history what you have. Okay, click on that. See, go first on the future, on the block, tap on the future. Once you tap on the future, go on here, you will see in the corner, you will see one book like structure. Click on that book and then click on order history. It will show you what kind of profit or loss you have faced. Okay, so click on that order history and then you will see if you had loss or if you had this thing or whatever. Tell me one time how to see that. Okay, see, 1 second. Home page. This is your home page, right? Home page, you have in the bottom, you have yeah, in the bottom you have options like this. Click on the future options. After the future options, can you see a small book? This is that small book. Click on that small book over here. This is the small book, and then you will see order history. Click on that order history and you will have every order history over here. Okay, order history. Once you click on order history, you will see the trade, what kind of profit you had on that. Okay, you will see, and it will be on P&L, profit and loss, P&L. Okay, in the order history, you can see it like this, P&L. So it will be like this, P&L. P&L, it will be green color or red color if you are having loss. Check it one time and tell me how it is, what it is, blah, 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 blah. And then I will say, what is your next step on that? Do tell me the profit and I will show you. Okay. I hope you have understood everything regarding future trading now. Every concept is clear. Every concept of margin, leverage, market types, blah, 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 blah scenario. Everything is clear, I hope. Yes, user 471436. Welcome. What is there? What can you see on the PNL? Yes, it is showing minus. If it's showing minus, then that means you had a loss, and that won't be showing in your available balance. Loss will not be shown in your available balance because it's basically zero only. Okay, and you don't worry, we are not going to take loss amount from you. It is fine. At least you got an experience. So if you had a loss, that means there won't be anything over there. You cannot withdraw that profit. Okay, because you had a loss. You had a loss of minus 0.005446. It's a loss. So loss, obviously, like I said, cannot be withdrawn from the market. Okay. Welcome user 4878345 and user 353445. That's the thing. Welcome user 150699393. Please make sure that this comment section is for all of you people to understand what a crypto knowledge, gain crypto knowledge, understand market and everything. Help, please take a help from it. Ask me of gaining like questions for gaining knowledge. If you don't ask any questions for gaining knowledge, then you are just wasting this live stream, because in here you can gain knowledge about crypto and any of those things. Okay, so make sure that you are gaining any knowledge from here. Okay. Understandable. Done everything. Now let's start into our live trading journey. It took so long time to explain each and every of the concept. It's already like 3 hours are gone from the market. Now it's just 1 hour left. Let's try to find a very good trade in that 1 hour. We can find it if we try to look into some other coins. See, if BTC, Ethereum, Solana, XRP are not giving any momentum, they are going in a sideways market. That does not mean that any other coins, every other coins are doing the same. There might be some smaller coins like Resolve VT, SPX, blah blah blah, smaller coins which can give you movement as well. If you're not having any momentum in BTC, Ethereum, that is totally fine. You can grab the movement in some different coin as well. You just need to observe. Okay, and plus do not forget that Zbit has offered you a feature, an AI con bot named Z, which can give you the most trendy coins in the future trade in the last 1 hour. And those are not those Bitcoin and blah blah coin like stable. Those are not big coins. He's giving you option of the small coins which you can trade on. Okay, so understand the situation that whatever coin is showcased by that few AI con bot named Z, it is those coin which you can take a trade on, like cheaper coins. Okay, not like BTC, Ethereum. It can be cheaper coins, so focus on those. It's not like that if BTC is not having momentum does not mean that any other coins are not having momentum. Okay, other coins may be having momentum. So let's find out which coins we can trade, which coin we can start a trade and blah blah situation. Okay, welcome user 195356, welcome on the live stream. Let's find out some coins for us to take a trade. And to, as you know, I've started a new challenge of turning that 100 into 1,000. This is a day one. So let's see. And see, even if I don't get a trade in this 1 hour, that does not mean that I'm not taking trade outside. Okay, I will be taking trade outside and I will be showing you some profit trade tomorrow. From that 100, it will be going above maybe 110, maybe 120, maybe 30, maybe 50, maybe 40, whatever it is, we will discuss, we will see what kind of profit we can take and blah blah situation. If it happens in 1 hour in front of you, that's good. If it doesn't happen, then I am not denying this fact that I won't be taking the trade outside. I will be taking the trade outside this live stream. Okay, so leave BTC. As for the BTC, as we can see on the BTC, okay, see, I observe the chart in the trading view platform and I take a trade on Zbit. Okay, do not consider me that I am taking a trade in trading view. I take a trade in the Zbit app. It's just like the trading view chart are like better than this Zbit. It should not be said like that, but it is true. So I observe my chart in the like trading view and I take a trade in the Zbit. Okay, do not consider me that I'm observing chart over here, so I'm taking trade in the trading view. No, that's why the two different thing. I will, you can clearly see that I will be placing my order over here and I will be watching my observer over here. Okay, so let's go by the day scenario. First of all, whenever you are doing your market analysis, start from the higher time frames. Higher time frames will give you like such kind of situation, which is basically like what do you say, without a noise. Lower time frame like 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute has a lot of noise in between. Noise you can consider noise like scramble trades, like a lot of buy and lot of sell trade at one point, which can make you confused about the market structure, which you are not deciding whether the market structure is in uptrend or downtrend or sideways. Okay, in the higher time frame, which you can clearly see a very clear downfall or a very clear uptrend or a market structure very clearly. As right now on the day time frame, what we can observe that after a fall of the market, as we can see, this is the fall of the market, a downtrend, market making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. From there, market has started to make an uptrend situation, which is higher high, higher low situation. We can see this higher high, higher low situation very clearly in here. Okay. For example, if I day time frame, okay, on a bigger picture right now, if I draw just a path, this is first high, then it made a lower low, and then it made a higher high. Okay, this is a simple what is gonna happen. This is simple what is happening right now. If I take this thing over here, let the weight be a little big. This is the movement which we saw in the market. This is a simple movement. Okay, now from this one simple movement, if I go in a 1 hour, I will put this over here. Okay, simple, we can clearly see an higher high, higher low situation. If I go on 1 hour chart, can we see it? No. In 1 hour chart, it will be very much confusing. How? See, here it went uptrend, then sideways, then downfall, then again up. Now again it is driving down. Can you see such a big confusion in the market of internal and external structure? This happens because of the internal and external structure of the market. External structure can be formed in bigger time frames like day, week, month, and internal can be formed on 1 hour, 30 minute, 45 minute, 15 minute, and so on and so on and so on. Internal structure can be very confusing, can give you a very for example, a false information of what is happening in the market. Like for example, if I do the internal structure right now, this fall over here, it went up, it went up here, it went up here, it went up here, it went up here, and from here it is falling. Okay, can you see? Now same market from Feb 21 November to right now, which is 5th of December. Can you see? This is a simple movement which we saw on the day time frame, and this is the movement which we saw in 1 hour. Can you see which one is the most easiest way to understand? Obviously, the day time frame is the most easiest way, and 1 hour is very confusing. Why? Because of the noises in between. Understood? Very simple. This is the difference between higher time frame and a lower time frame. Very easy and very simple difference between higher and a lower time frame. Okay, and all the people who are watching this live stream, make sure that you are doing a deposit on the live stream so that you can earn a good amount of rewards, offers, and also be a part of my challenge, which you can see above here. Challenge of turning 100 into 1000. See, if you don't have 100, fine, enter with 10. You can take 10x of leverage. You can make that 10 into 100 as well. Okay, it's an option. So try to do a deposit. Make sure to click on the live stream deposit button, do a deposit, and take a trade with me. So as we can observe in the market at one day time frame, that market has started to make what? A little bit retracement down. Retracement with what? See, market never goes straight up, straight down. That is an abnormal market which happens due to big player whales or institutional money which comes in the market. Okay, the normal general way of market to move is going above, falling down, going above, falling down, which makes such kind of structure: up, fall, up, fall, up, fall. This is the normal way of market to move. Okay, now in this normal way of market to move, we can see one thing, that after making the higher high in the market of 1 day time frame, market is started to fall down. Falling down for where? See, whenever market makes a higher high, the next what a market is going to make is HL, a higher low. From that higher low, we can get an option of going for a buy side, because that HL is gonna make an HH a new higher high. Basically, the very easiest way of trading in a market structure is, for example, let me draw the path. This is okay. This is the uptrend making what? Higher high, higher low. This is the first H. Sorry, this is the first L. Sorry, my bad. Okay, this is the first low. This is the first H. One low, one high. After that, can you see this was another low? But this low is higher than the previous low. That's why we call it as HL, higher low. Now, whenever market makes a higher low, if it's going for an uptrend, then always market makes what? Buy position. Market will make another high which is higher than the previous one. That's why we call it higher high, HH. Okay, now understand this situation. Whenever market makes a higher low over here, the next movement, the next where the market is traveling is what? Making higher high. Our target can be what? We can go for buy situation over here. Our target will be simply, we can draw a line on previous high, because it is definitely gonna cross the previous high to make a new high. Understood? Very simple to understand. Market to make from higher low to go to higher high, market will break the previous high. So that will be our easiest target. Right now in the market of the BTC, what we can observe, that market made higher high already. Now market is gonna fall for some time, for some moment, maybe for 1 hour, maybe for 2 hour, maybe for whatever hour. Okay, in that situation, till the point market falls, let it fall. Do not go for a risk trade. What is a risk trade? Risk trade is from higher high to higher low is always a risk trade. I will tell you why. Risk trade is because we will never know when the market will stop and take the above upside movement of pump. Higher low will stop at what point and will get reverse at what time. We cannot predict that movement. Cannot. Okay, like safe trade, safe target, whatever, we cannot predict it. So the risk trade is what? Trading at higher high to higher low. This trade, what people will say, like right now market is a higher high, market will obviously made what? Higher low. I will take a short trade, I will go for long side. How do you know market won't reverse at right now moment? How do you know that market won't get reverse in 5 minutes or next 10 minutes or next 15 or 1 hour? We don't know the situation. Having a safe lower trade in the uptrend is not possible, because you can never, like, not the expert trader or any kind of trader cannot judge like, okay, this is a safe trade for higher low, this is a point where the market can come and take retracement. No, there is always a risk, always a risk in retracement for an uptrend. Same goes for the downtrend as well, even if it's retracement. Bro, can you send me 1000 for me for exam fees? You have exam fees? ZB doesn't have any exam fees. We don't take exams of people. There is no exam fees in ZBit. Are you talking about your exam fees that you want money from my side? Sorry, this is not charity. No charity work over here. User 471436. So, like I was telling you all people, taking a trade of higher high to higher low, let it fall. Let it fall. We don't want the market, we don't want to take a trade in the shorter side when the market is making upper trend. Trading from higher high to higher low, we don't take through those trades. That's a risky trade. We will never know when the market will stop, when the market will go. We don't know about those situations. For example, if I show you some example. Yeah, such kind of example. See, it went up, it fall down, and then again this happened. See, it fall down. From there it gave us. This is considered as a one movement itself. But the downfall, we cannot guess when the downfall me. Not for that, for me. Sorry, I cannot provide you that because we don't do charity over here. It is not allowed. But if you want, I can make you help. I can help you earn a good amount of money. Okay, if you want, I can help you earn a good amount of money. Okay. Okay. I need help. Yes, user 373215. What kind of help I can provide to you? Please ask me what kind of help do you need. I will provide you with that help. But before that, make sure that you are doing a deposit in the live stream function and being a part with my challenge of turning that 100 into 1000. Do not forget. How much have you earned so far? 1000 is more for you, bro. It's not regarding that I earn a good amount of money or I don't earn. It is not allowed. Okay, this transaction, this kind of thing, like you ask me money and I provide you money for whatever an exam fees, whatever is kind of thing is, it's not allowed, I'm saying. Okay. And yes, user 116034, what do you mean by 32029400930? What is that thing? Can you help me understand? User 116034, and it's not, and user 471436. It is not about how much I've earned over here or something. Even if I'm earning a very good amount, does not mean that I can give you money or something like that. Okay. And yes, user 116034. What do you mean by 32032940930? What do you mean by that? What is that number? What is that number? And user 373215, you asked for help. What kind of help do you need? Please provide the comment of XYZ, whatever help you need from my side. I will provide you that help. Please help me a little, bro. Cannot. I can not help. Any other thing? Any other thing? Okay. If there is nothing, then let's continue. So, like I said to you all people, like in the day time frame of the BTC, what we can observe is that the market is trying to take the retracement from the market. Okay. If we check out lowest point, highest point, see, like I said to you, there is no safe way to calculate till where the market can fall, but there are some golden ratios which we can calculate from the Fibonacci retracement, like 0.5 and like between 0.3 to 0.5. Can you see 0.382 and 0.5? This is that range from where the market can take a retracement. Tell me something about Ethereum. For sure, why not? Let's talk about Ethereum. This is Ethereum. Okay, same in the, see, BTC and Ethereum, they have a very same movement. There is no difference in both of the movement. I am asking for exam fee purpose. Understand, brother. What exam fee? What exam are you writing? What exam are you writing? User 471436. What exam are you writing? Are you what, like which IS exam, MPS exam, IIT exam, JE exam, NEET exam? Which exam fee are you asking me for? Are you in the 11th 10th standard in which you had a back, and then you can't tell this to your family obviously that you had a back, and then you need to clear that back exam, transfer fee, and are you asking for back fee exam? What kind of exam fee are you asking? Okay, let's talk about it. If you need an exam fee, first tell me what kind of exam it is and be very honest with me. If you are honest, then I may provide me. Like I said, me. Okay, there is no guarantee that I will give. I want to know what exam fee are you asking for. User 471436, tell me what exam. And for the user 195356, tell me what Ethereum. See, BTC and Ethereum, they are having a very similar momentum. They don't have a big difference in the price action. Price action is the way the price is moving. Okay, we saw the same exact movement that the market was in the first downtrend. After that downtrend, very small, in a very small way, an uptrend has started, that to just one BTech semester. Obviously, you are that one person who is having a back. I can guess it. I can guess it that you are having a back. In what exam did you fail? Is it an computer science, CS, electrical, mechanical? Which engineer you were? Okay, so we can see in Ethereum, same movement is following of being right now from downtrend, market has reversed and changed its trend from down to the up. That too, will it be will it be continued? Won't it be continued? That we can only discuss after we see at least 2 to 3 higher highs. Just see, market has just made one higher high. This was the lowest point L. After that, this was the high, and now market has made just one higher high. That's all. That's all. Just one. Civil engineers. Civil engineer. You are doing civil engineering. Okay. You failed, right? You failed in some exam. I can guess it. I can see it that you failed in some exam. I can clearly see that maybe in first semester or second semester, you are somewhere in that first or second semester, you are having a back, and you cannot confess this thing to your family that you are having a back. And that's why the reason that you're asking a exam fee from it. Doesn't, and it really doesn't matter. Okay, it really doesn't matter if I am earning good amount or small amount. Really doesn't matter. I cannot provide you that money. That is a fact. Okay, even if with my big heart, if I start like, okay, if I give like, okay, fine, it's little bro, like he's having some, yes, see, yes, I know you're having some back. That's why you're having asking about them about that money. But like I said to you, I cannot provide it. It's not allowed for me to share like this. Okay. And even if If, for example, if any situation, if I consider your situation that yes, you cannot confess this thing to your family and you need that money, and I give you my Instagram handle, you contact me through Instagram handle. Now, if I do it for you, it will happen for same every people. Okay, it will keep on happening. Like every else people is gonna start asking me money, which I cannot. Okay, so as per the Ethereum thing, like I said to you, one and one only market structure has reversed. Yes, agreed. From down to up structure we can see in the market, but it is just one. Okay, we cannot just trust the uptrend like this. We need to make more higher highs, higher lows. Then we can guess that market is in a uptrend. By just having one uptrend we cannot guess it. It may be like market is making a head and shoulder pattern, who knows about that, and again we can continue to fall more down. So as per my situation, what you can do in Ethereum is, right now market is going to retrace, market is going to fall down. If we continue with an uptrend like this, market will down, will make higher low, enter at this higher low. Okay, enter at this situation for long future long trade at Ethereum. Keep your target where? At the previous higher high. This is the previous higher high. This point, wait a second, this is the previous higher high. Market to make a new higher high. This is low, high, higher low, and higher high. Market will somewhere take retracement, maybe till here, maybe till there, somewhere over here, and it will break above to create a new higher high. So if you come down to this movement, come down to this point of higher high, enter at the open long position for taking an uptrend, enter at the position for taking an uptrend, and from there go and take the higher high, like for this situation, and this will be your safe target. Okay, and as I can see one fair value gap as well at the position. Let me just delete everything. Till where? See, approximately, I won't give you commitment till where the market can fall, but what, according to what I feel, market can fall up to this point. See, can you see a small fair value gap over here? The fair value gap means a limit orders are placed over here. Whenever market gives a fair value gaps, see, market is a greedy person who is always in the need of money. He needs money from wherever it comes, but not the small money like $10, 20, 30. No, bigger amount like maybe 50 USDT, maybe 1 million, maybe 1 lakh, maybe 2 lakh. Such kind of big amount market is always in the need of to run the market. Okay, fair value gaps are those places where maybe limit orders are placed. If it's a green fair value gap, which means buy limit orders are placed, market can come down to this point of the fair value gap, tap into that situation, and from there it can go above. So if you want to see, wait for the moment to market to at least come down to 30. What is the moment? Okay, from 3066 to 3055. Okay, enter, try to enter at the position of what? 3066 to 3055. Okay, these are the position, these are the price where market may fall down to take the retracement, as we can see a fair value gap over here. Just because of the fair value gap, I am giving you this price that you can enter at maybe 3066 to in between 3055, somewhere between that. Enter for an open long position, predicting the price can go above, and from that situation, just take an entry at the higher high. Keep your target at this higher high, because market to make another higher high, it will cross the previous higher high. Obviously the same way it did, this was the previous higher high, market crossed this situation. Now same previous higher high, market will cross the situation. So once the market comes to 3066, 3055, somewhere in between, try to take a retracement. And also, if we look at the candle, and as we can see a day candle, the rejection is like this. Rejection is market went till here from the buyer's position, from the buyer's strength, but it cannot be continued market because buyers are, sorry, sellers are pushing the market down. That's why upper wick is getting long, which generates this situation that right now market can fall more. Sellers are inside the market. That's why we are having a peak rejection. Okay, understood? User 195356. If you have any doubt from this, please make me understand. I gave you my market analysis according to what I can see in the market. This is a day time frame. Okay. Now, if I go to a lower time frame, let's go to the 1 hour situation. Can you see the same 1 hour situation? From an up, from making higher high, market has came down to making lower low. With just one time frame, from being like this, market went like this, from up to the down. Can you see it? This was the high, and previous, the next high is lower, this became lower high. Market is trying to make a downtrend. Can you see confusion thing over here? Right? So this is an internal structure. Do not get confused that right now market is making, market is falling down or something like this. This is just market is taking a internal structure. Internal structure, like, see, this is a bigger structure. In this, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is down. It may look, this situation may look down in the lower, smaller time frames, but in the higher time frame, it's just a retracement. That's what I did in the day time frame. We can see that it is just a retracement, nothing else, just a retracement. Okay, wait for again the price to fall down somewhere around here, and from then you can go for a buy situation. How it is tapped? Sorry, bro, it's my fault. Please help me, bro. Bro, I really can't help. Okay, I really can't help. That's what I'm telling you. I cannot help. Understand my situation as well. I'm not allowed to give money like this. If I give it to you, rest of the people will also start doing it. They will think, even if my big heart I give you, but sorry. Not happening. Let's try to take a trade. What are those 20 coins which is Zbit is offering us? Syrup. Syrup USDT. Let's see Syrup USDT. Syrup USDT is offer. Yeah, this is the Syrup. Okay. Syrup USDT had a pump, and after that it is having a sideways market. We are watching a 1 hour time frame. Even in that 1 hour time frame, it is having such a huge volatility. Very huge volatility in the market even after having a 1 hour. And if we observe a little bit, if you observe something over here, let's make a trend line. Trend line, trend line. Why the trend line color is black? And this is the another thing, which is our basically support point. Okay, as we can see that there is little bit a small triangle pattern is forming at this point. Little help, bro. I won't say again and again, it's done. I said you already, it is not possible. I cannot provide you that help. It is not possible. Okay. I told you already. Please. Other users, see, we have to observe right now at S side of USDT. See, as the resistance line is going on, we can see resistance line, same, three consistent, same point it took the resistance. If it take the same resistance or not, we will observe that situations. If it takes the same resistance, then we are very sure that it's a triangle pattern, that to descending one, which can come back to our demand zone, which is over here. Can you see a demand zone? Wait a second. This is a demand zone of the market. Okay, this is the demand zone of the market. Syrup USDT in a day time frame. How do you look? Oh. So in a day time frame, it is like you had a very huge epic downfall, and from there you're trying to resurrect yourself from the death. Huh. Previous. If we talk about supply to supply, previous supply, from there it dropped down.
Bro, thanks for this. Thanks for what? I didn't even help you. Why are you saying thanks? Okay. Demand zone, supply zone. From demand, the market went up. It is doing that. It is called as major swing. Market made a very big consolidation phases. After that, if it taps what is as per like whatever is happening previously, it comes to the supply zone, taps down, comes to supply zone, taps down. Okay, that's what is happening all the time. We'll observe this one more time. If it taps into the supply zone or not. If it doesn't tap into the supply zone, then we can go for a buy situation, because market can go for buy, because it's already touched the most bottom level of syrup or syrup, whatever it is. Let's observe if it is crossing that supply zone or not. If we get option, then we will enter in this market just a little bit, let it touch the supply zone, and then we can go for a short, a very good shot, as we are observing the same thing which happened previously as well. This was a supply zone, previous supply zone of the market, red, red, and exactly from that you can clearly see supply zone tap, white. Exactly from that supply zone tap and fall down. I am aiming for the same situation over here, same supply zone, tap into the situation and fall down. As the only reason I'm thinking of that, because market is consolidating. That's the only reason. After a very huge demand from the market is consolidating like this. That too in a descending triangle chart pattern. This is called as descending. See, this is how a descending chart pattern looks. It will be going down and support will be in the straight. This is exactly, can we see same situation? See, down, support same, and the breakout. Can we see the same situation over here in the side up, down and support? So what we need to do? Wait for a supply zone tap out. We'll wait for a supply zone tap out, nothing else, because we can see the similar situation, a descending triangle chart pattern exactly like this. Let's observe descending chart pattern, very near to supply zone, demand zone. And I won't see, if for target thing I'm saying, for the target we won't go directly to the demand zone, okay, because as we can observe this one thing, there are fair value gaps, so we can aim for the fair value gap as our target. We can aim for just fair value gaps for target. From the supply, if it starts falling, we can aim for the fair value gaps for the target, okay, because from there maybe a retracement can come. Right now, it is giving you a breakout. These are the situation which you should be taking a notes of. See, descending triangle chart pattern is a bearish chart pattern, which will give you a downfall in the market, right? But in this scenario, as we can observe this one thing, market is giving you breakout above. This can be a situation of a fake breakout that market tells you, that manipulates, like, okay, I gave you breakout above, go for a buy situation, and from exactly that situation, market will start falling down, and your trade will go wrong. So observe your surrounding, observe your chart. I'm not saying that it can, the supply zone should be respected. As it is respected previously, so we should be concerned, we should be representing that thing and waiting for it. Supply fair value gap, I'll write it now. Blue color. FPG. This is supply zone, previous supply zone, not current supply zone. Okay, previous supply zone. FEG, fair value gap. If you do not understand what is fair value gap, ask me. I will tell you what do you understand by fair value gap. Okay, don't just observe it like you know everything. If you don't know, it is fine to ask. That's why this live stream is regarding, for you to gain knowledge regarding the crypto world. Okay, if you don't understand it, just ask. And that's what you need to make each and everything for understanding every, see, from the supply zone, can you see from the supply zone it started falling a little down, little down, little down. I'm not saying that it started falling, that means now it is going to fall completely. We have to observe. Observation is a key. We still have 12 minutes for this candle to close. Okay, and this is the thing which you need to do in the market before entering. This is called market analysis. You need to analyze your market completely, find your zones, find your supply zones, find your demand zones, find your fair value gaps. Each and every of those things you need to observe. Okay, and after that only you should enter in the market for XYZ situations, not before that. My time is almost done, almost done. I will be leaving this live stream in 5 to 6 minutes. But if you see that there is from the supply zone a very good downfall of the market to come, then please make sure to enter in the open short. See, either you want to pick the market, pick the market. If you want to pick limit order, pick the limit order, depends on you. Okay, once you picked XYZ amount of thing, then you can enter for whatever trade you want to take. Okay, so market order, if you want market to pick that order, open short. Can you see open short over here? And if you are using an easy mode in the ZBIT, then just go for sell. If you're using classic, then open short. But I will tell you this one thing: the best way of doing a future trading is by using class. That's the real authentic way of using a future trading: open short and open long. And when you see all those things, leverage, margin, that's the best way to use it. If you're using easy mode, that's fine. There is no such thing like if you use easy mode you'll face loss or something. It's the same, but just feel authentic. So I will leave this live stream now because other person will come now. So, like I said to you, wait for the supply zone. Supply zone is already been tapped. Wait for the next candle. In the 6 minute, next candle will start forming. When it makes a little high situation, as you know, candle has a body, open, close, high, low. Once it makes a little high, enter at that point for the short. And do not keep your target at the demand zone. I know supply will fall to the demand, but to be on the safer side, keep your target at the fair value gap itself. Okay, observe where the fair value gap price is at and keep your target at that moment. Okay, in the easy mode we have to buy and sell. See, easy mode is same. If even in the easy mode, if you pick buy, that means open long only. It doesn't mean that you're buying the cryptocurrency. In the future trading, we do not do buy or sell. Okay, even in the easy mode, like you said, in the easy mode we have to buy or sell in the supply zones. Okay, in the easy mode, when you see easy, in the easy mode, when you see the supply zone, from here observe the candle first. Okay, observe the candle, what is happening. Once after 5 minutes, new candle will start forming. After the new candle will start forming, if it is going a little high situation, let it go little up. From there, open short, which means in easy mode go for sell. Okay, and take your trade profit at fair value gap, FEG. Got it? Cool. So thank you so much for all the people for being on this platform, on the being on this live stream of Zibit.com. Do not forget this thing, that this is a platform where you can gain a knowledge. Start asking questions regarding what do you understand by trading. Start taking help of this live stream. It's not just a show which you watch, you go, you watch, you go. Starting initiative of XYZ thing of asking, learning, trading. Without knowledge, please do not enter in the trading. Buy like anything, gain knowledge and then enter. Okay, bye bye all of you people. Thank you so much for being over here.